Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Pass the tambourine! It's all about the Tambourine family. I'm beer something. I'm beer setting. Down it to the flipping world.
Get the tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people. Let's go.
Get right.
Yeah.
Mixup and Blenda, Dancehall.
Hey, 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 yeah. Hey. Up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the lead for with them bad mind. You can't stop in a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord.
Yeah, no. Big up on yourself, people. Big up on yourself. Welcome in our sitting. Welcome in our something. No? Welcome up in our sitting. Son. People, make we give thanks, no? Make we give thanks, no? Whenever notice, say, like when black people commit certain crime, you always have a host of white people always the usual suspects. Oh yes, look at that, blah blah blah, and them have these little snide comments and these snide remarks and things. And then they get in these grandiose tropes, the usual. They need to go back where they come from and all this stuff and whatever, and these references to civilizations and these barbaric, uncivilized people and how they behave. Them always, them there. Anytime Muslims or Latinos or black people do, especially black people, they're always out there. Time black people catch a thief, like, these black kids, them have a thing with them bum rush a store. Like 30, 40 of them are just running pan a store and grab up everything. Anytime you see them something, you always have a barrage of white people come out with all these racialized statements, like, look at them, I saw them turn and whatever. Then them always have this thing about Chicago and the inherent violence in black people, I say black people, them just uncivilized and violent or whatever. But people like me, when you hear certain people that tell we about violence, people like me were just historically, we know what them do at Congo, we know what white people do all over Africa, we know what white people do all over the Caribbean. And they don't ever, people have this thing about Jamaicans being violent, right? Y'all, that people have it that Jamaicans are crazy, right? Right? In case perhaps some of you don't know, but there is this thing out there that Jamaicans are just different, Violence, Sometimes it works in our favor, right? I can't forget when we just come America. Well, after we come America, it was at Vassar College, me and my brethren, the man thing. And we there on train. And a bunch of black kids, actually. Just a talk up a bag of shit, And we bill and we watch them, And thing, I will clutch and we watch them, And about 8 of them also, But, me depend, me I watch them, but even a little thing, I'm ready, you see what I say? But then, when I will go, I think I'm me or whatever go say, I'm a idiot boy, whatever. And me could hear one of them be like, Oh shit, they Jamaicans. Yo, you better back up, yo. There's some crazy motherfuckers, man. They Jamaican. You back up, they right? And that was one of my introduction to this thing up here, like Jamaica. I had a relative, may she rest in peace, right? She was my relative because she married to my uncle, but she working at the school system, And they have some challenges there with them. And one time I talked to her, Ma Ruby be like, I ain't got no problem with them kids, Kingsley. I'm like, oh, for real, Ma Ruby? And she like, yeah, I ain't got no problem with them kids. When they act up all the time. And I tell them, my husband is Jamaican. And they just calm the fuck down. And I'm like, for real, Ma Ruby? And she like, yep, you just tell them kids that you're relative Jamaicans or whatever. They don't want that smoke. And then I remember I said to Ma Ruby then, that's a stereotype, I said nothing really go. So Ma Ruby said, shit, what you talking about, son? And I said, yeah, the stereotype of violence against Jamaica. Ma Ruby like, no, son, y'all are crazy. Like, for real. Y'all are crazy. Jamaicans are crazy. Violence, them attributed to it and said, why, yo, we are mad at, And even all these debates about why Jamaicans are violent, why this thing is so violent, including why Jamaicans so homophobic, them saying, why Jamaicans hate gay people so, and so violent. And I'm one of those, I say, if you really know the history of what happened to the Jamaicans, some of them things make sense, And I don't ever read where one brother named, what him name, Thomas Thistle? I saw him name. Who know what the Thomas Thomas Thistlewood or Thistle? Anybody know about him? Let me tell you, man, if you hear what that man do, he was a plantation owner in a Jamaica, and for decades, Thomas Thistlewood. Yeah. All right, let me just write. All right, let me see. Me just want, what did Thomas Thistlewood do to black people? I don't even know say slaves. Black people in Jamaica. What did Thomas Thistlewood do to black people? Come on, man. That's it. Wait there. No, that's not what I want, man. Just give me a readout, Seriously, Google. That's so yeah, move for me. Now, Thomas Thistlewood, him name people. Let me see who know about it. Thistlewood, right. So someone who know about it there. AI mode, that more AI mode, yeah. People, listen to them something where that man are going with black people, Thomas Thistlewood was an English-born plantation overseer and owner who subjected enslaved black people in Jamaica to thousands of acts of horrific torture, severe physical abuse, and serial rape. The thing about it, this guy documented this shit. He documented it. Sick. But again, he was considered in the aristocracy, he was considered and whatever. So you have these sick, violent people, whatever this, and then violence was just accepted, right? Between 1750 and 1786, That is 36 years. He meticulously documented his actions in a 14,000-page, 37-volume diary. His journals now serve as one of the most prominent, unfiltered historical records of the extreme cruelty of British colonial slavery. White Europeans, yeah. Historians widely recognize Thistlewood as a sadist who used systematic, unyielding violence. That's a nice way of just saying non-stop, to terrorize and control a black population that vastly outnumbered white colonists. His diaries outline several specific forms of atrocities: systemic sexual violence and serial rape. Thousands of assaults. He recorded thousands of distinct acts of rape against at least 138 different enslaved women and girls. He frequently cataloged these assaults using a pseudo-Latin shorthand to track his, quote, conquest, end quote. These are sick white people. Them not give me the details I want to hear, you know. Targeting the vulnerable. No one was spared. He repeatedly assaulted heavily pregnant women. That was one of his things. Including an enslaved woman named Frankie, who miscarried a week after an assault and routinely raped women as punishment after capturing them for trying to escape. One enslaved woman, Sally, was raped by Thistlewood more than 200 times. This is his, he might document them something, you know. Me want to hear some, here we go. Sadistic and degrading torture methods. To deter rebellion, whatever about to deter rebellion, this was him sick. Now listen to this about to deter rebellion. He's sick. And him just go amongst people who him capture and they get with him sickness. Like if them catch them a eat piece of the sugar cane. Remember sugar cane them feel, if him catch them a eat on the sugar cane and thing or whatever, Thistlewood invented and utilized highly unusual sadistic punishments. Listen to this. Him called something Darby's dose. If you're eating right now, Bill, I'm about to just go in some details about what he does. So be forewarned, this is sick. This is grotesque. So he has this thing that he called Darby's dose. An infamous punishment he devised. Thistlewood would have an enslaved person severely whipped and then force another enslaved person to never fix up this. Even though it's written in English, never fix up this. So he will force another enslaved person to pass excrement in that person's mouth. Open up their mouth and then make the other person, and then after that, and then immediately gag the victim for hours. He called that Darby's dose, gave it a name. He would have the head them cut off for people who escape and put it on a pole near his home and thing. Enslaved individuals who attempted to flee or resist were routinely branded with hot irons. That was commonplace. Forced into heavy chains or iron collars and locked in stocks for days at a time, you know. He severely underfed the enslaved population, forcing them to work hard labor while starving. Ironically, if they were caught trying to eat the crops they grew to survive, they faced the most brutal floggings. There's a lot more that he did here. There's a lot more. Y'all can check it out again, all right? His diaries act as a grim health record showing rampant disease and infant mortality rate, roughly 420 per thousand births. Crazy. Among the infants born into slavery under his watch. People them say all them thing about me, is a miracle. Well, not a miracle. It's a testament, to the resilience of our people, why we are still there, But listen to this. While Thistlewood was an exceptionally cruel individual, modern historians emphasize that his behavior was, here we go, not considered unusual or illegal by the white colonial establishment of 18th century Jamaica. The entire plantation economy relied on this exact type of severe, arbitrary violence to keep the enslaved labor force too terrorized to successfully overthrow their masters. His diaries, now preserved at Yale University, stand as an undeniable testament to the institutionalized inhumanity of the transatlantic slave trade. So you guys can check out, again, his name is Thomas Thistlewood. And you hear them say, what him did I do was par for the course. It was normal in colonial, society, in colonial society, Again, this is just an example of, a thing we're going for, as you know, 400 years. Even before that, it started, When the Catholic Church sanctioned Portugal to first go into West Africa and start this thing, yeah. Capture people, bribe people in Africa for capture them and thing and whatever. Exploit rivalries and animosity between ethnic groups in Africa. Forget one group for bring other people come down and thing. And now in the present I say, ooh, or the same black people get them over to we and all them something and whatever. But again, I'm saying, this is just reminding you. This is them. Them some of the most, white people, some of the most barbaric, evil, cruel people throughout history, right? It's a preoccupation, not all, right? It's a preoccupation they've always had in terms of to colonize and conquer and to exploit and to rape and degrade and whatever, right? They talk about meritocracy when they're opposing affirmative action or they're opposing DEI and whatever. They talk about meritocracy, right? But the same people who talk about meritocracy, let's be fair, is the same people who are, known throughout history for hundreds of years of unfairness and feel that they're justified in their unfairness and their inequities, right? When they want to oppose any corrective measures, though they're not perfect and whatever, this is when I bring up meritocracy, right? That you get what you deserve based on your merit. People, seriously, no. Them people, I can't tell we anything about getting what you deserve based on your merit, based on for them history. One thing I find just so fascinating now is all these countries that saying It's the law. It's the law. People can't just come into people's countries like that. And it's not right for people to just go into people's countries like that. It's the law. All we want is to enforce the law. People cannot come into people. They might tell people say nobody. They might tell people say nobody never going to people's country like that. And up till today day, France have reaped the benefits from having gone into people's countries because them feel like that, exploit that and whatever. And up till today day, if France stop get the benefits of that, them economy collapse right now. If France stop get the benefits of all of the money when they might get from Northern Africa, whatever, based on them colonialism, them imperialism, them racism, them sick, because the French, they were sick and whatever. And if them stop get that money there right now, today day, them economy collapse. Right? People, almost all of the conflicts them what you see in the world right now, you know, when you trace them go back, you know. And them same people that freak up the world, you know, them people that who I tell you about, and them bring civilization to the world and we should be grateful and all them something there. Almost all of the major modern conflicts them where exist to the day, it go right back to where them do, you know. With the three main one them, including the other one them too, but the three main one them as you know, Britain, Spain, and France. But Portugal involved, see it, and then Brazil, that was the biggest thing there. I know, you know, Brazil and them speak Portuguese and racism down the same way. Germany was awful, you know, about the genocide in what was then Zambia and thing and whatever, you know, and what going on in South Africa. Germany was sick too, you know. The Netherlands, Holland, they were awful too, right? Up till now, them still have what name they down in the Caribbean, ABC Islands, Aruba, Bonaire, Curacao, and thing. Right, at them South Africa, where you call the Boers, Boers, and whatever, they are of European descent, specifically Netherlands and whatever. People all over the world. You see what going? You see that unending war there where people are chat about. Oh, in the Bible and the two women them will go sleep with so who couldn't have baby and thing, and then the descendant of them and what. It was Britain and France who frig up the Middle East, you know. And I play people against different one, you know. All for them get money and for exploit the thing. Them work with one Arab group and say, if you work with we are gonna make you get the land, fight with whatever. And when that group they fight with them and kill off other Arab for them and whatever, them turn around and punish the other group, then give the land to that one and lie to that one. Britain and France, you know, just check it out. You know, this simple Google, right? Simple, just Google what role did Britain and France play in present day Middle East conflict. It's right there. And up to today, we are still under this vile double standard. People accusing us of being violent when them always accuse we have been violent. People. All who hear about the man who killed 8-time relatives them. 8-time relatives them in Montana. All who hear Billings, Montana. Right? Like centric. Let me see. All I want to know hear about it. Let me see. Just talk it through. When did hear about it? Just say yes or no. One man killed 8-time relative them in a Billings, Montana. If you hear about it, say yes. If you never hear about it, say no. Yes, yes, no, 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 yes, yes, no, 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 yes, yes, no. The man kill 8-time relative, and when we say 8-time relative, I'm telling you. Well, nothing. And near Alan Smith. Alan Smith kill 8-time. I see me can't find.
A family massacre in Montana. A man killed 8 of his relatives, including 4 children, at a home in Billings before taking his own life. Victims ranged in age from a great-grandmother in her 90s to a 7-year-old girl. Police said they responded to the home on Sunday evening and heard gunshots coming from out back just before the house was completely engulfed in flames. Police are investigating.
Now, if something like this is an exception, right, we could understand. But people, this shit goes on all the time. White folks doing these things. And when they do it, you don't see the usual, you don't see them run out, you know. We need to send them back where them come from, you know, hear about that. You know, hear about, you know, hear these blanket generalizations about inherent fatal flaws of the group that they are from. We don't hear that. Eh? But as soon as them hear a drive by in a black neighborhood and things, see, they send them back where them come from, and this and that and whatever, and start big up certain leader and thing, and you hear them a chat about crime and problem and this and that and whatever. Well, yeah, one next one, you know. Oh. And next one, I must. Well, yeah, well, where did it? Man, yeah, one something happened recently. One next one in kill 5 people in kill a film family. These are them are some happen like this week again, you know. Right? And them some of them I talk about, you know, right? One who recently can find me I search something, you give me something. You're thinking about Michael Hyde, who killed 5 children and 2 other family members in Utah in 2023. But just that the point I'm making is that one man he killed 5 people recently for sitting, man. I forgot how him doing, you know. But just all right, we're not gonna just stay forever on this. But just to say that this is common. This is common from that group, right? This is quite common. And them get up every day. So people don't fall for it. When you hear them come out with these tropes, some things with them do, and when them go hard, man. Remember the man who killed most of 47 people in Las Vegas when them there one concert, plan it out and thing, go in a hotel, big gun and thing and shoot up the whole concert, man. Right? They eat people, right? Jeffrey Dahmer and them and whatever, this and that. Everybody know Jeffrey Dahmer thinks that he was the only cannibal out there. There's other sick cannibal man them out there who been a capture people and a eat them how much time. You not hear nothing about it. And as soon as you catch them, the first narrative you hear a come back of the story is that them have some mental disorder and, you hear the press routinely I talk about what a troubled life them have and all them something there, whatever this and that. But routinely when black people or black youth them do nothing, nobody them not really focus on a troubled life for the black youth them did have, From a long time, And I remember they look at 13-year-old boy, back in the day, I'll know we see the picture of him when them put him in an electric chair and whatever, and him never do nothing. Tal said she was in Vegas a few days prior to that shooting there. Well, I look a boy that the name again, the one must be 12 or 13 when them put in an electric chair and kill him and whatever this and that. Right? Them never care say him a look a picnic. It's a look a black boy. Exactly, Soul Rebel. And the reason Dahmer was able to kill for so long is that he mainly did eat black and people of color victims. No, Emmett Smith was the victim. Emmett Smith was the victim. Emmett Smith was killed. I'm talking about one little boy, man. Young little boy, like, probably like 12-year-old or so, who them they get the electric chair, like the courts. Right? Me just I tell you, say, even this of them sickness there, Right? Emmett was murdered, and then the white man them get way because it was okay to murder a little boy because him go say hi to a white woman, No, man. Usually when I catch up them something. George Stinney. Yes, Christina. Yeah, George Stinney. That is the name right there. When I have to take time with me, there's so much going on in my head right now. Sometimes I don't remember. That is the name right there. Want to check out that, right? George Stinney, right? Christina, you're on point, right? Little boy, a long time them are going with 14-year-old George Stinney executed in South Carolina. This was in 1944, right? George Junior Stinney Jr. was an African-American boy who was wrongfully executed at the age of 14 after being convicted during an unfair trial for the murders of two white girls, 11-year-old Betty Joan Benneker and 8-year-old Mary Emma Thames in his hometown in Alcolo in South Carolina. He didn't do it. It was proven that he didn't do it. Right? And then put her on the sitting, and apparently when it never worked, then shock him some more and thing, and the little boy ball out and thing and whatever. Right? These are the people who get up every day and I tell other people about, them just unwarrantedly violent and thing and whatever. Right? "81 years ago today, during his execution, George Stinney was forced to sit on a book because his body was too small and frail for the straps of the electric chair. People, I can't come tell we about wickedness. Don't fall for it. Don't you ever fall for it. Because they can be very convincing when them make them arguments for them something, you know. Right? And that is why you see even black people out there reinforce these tropes and these inaccuracies. And I'm certainly not saying that black people are inherently nice or anything. That's not what I'm saying. I am not. We have some wicked evil black people, okay? But we have wicked evil people everywhere. But in the context of systemic violence based on, you know, one group against another group in terms of racial definition and things, the evidence is there. The evidence is there. This is like a large scale macro level projection of what you're guilty of on others. Right? People when you hear, oh, the United States got Hawaii, right? The island of Hawaii, who now a state. Greed and wickedness and cruelty. When you see China there, enough people don't know why China don't. You tell China about democracy and China is like, kiss my ass. Right? You can't come tell we nothing about democracy, right? Check out what China referred to as 100 years of humiliation or 100 years of something. What is that? You check out that, right? Britain, white people, Queen Victoria and whatever, love the things them with China have. And one with China have and have to buy with China have. And when them not have the money for buy with China have and thing, them I tell China say you forgive it. And China say, no, we're do business. And when them bring drugs, go get China, and China say, no, we don't want any drugs and whatever. You know. Britain go India where them control, slave the Indian them and get opium from them, deliberately say them are going to undermine the Chinese population because them want what China have the products them with China. Me just show you something, you know. So sometimes when I see some things that are going on, whatever, and if you don't know the historical precedents to them and thing, it makes sense, you know. Right? Right? And again, me I say, all of them major issues, problem, them where you see, them, white people do it, you know. So there's a reason why China not trust anybody who talk about the West and democracy and freedom and free enterprise. There's a reason for it because China go through 100 years of the wickedest evil thing against them, you know. What is China's 100 years of humiliation? Let me see if I can. Sometimes all them something have a way for fix it up, you know. China's century of humiliation refers to a period of foreign intervention, internal turmoil, and national subjugation that lasted from 1839 to 1949. It began with the First Opium War when Britain used the military force to protect the illegal. In history, the biggest drug dealer was Britain. to protect the illegal opium trade, defeating China's outdated navy. They're fixing this up. I'm soon say something to you. China was forced to sign a series of one-sided agreements, starting with the Treaty of Nanking that ceded territory like Hong Kong, opened treaty ports to foreign powers, and granted foreigners extraterritorial rights. Included the Second Opium War, where British and French troops destroyed the Old Summer Palace, the First Sino-Japanese War, and the intervention of Western powers and Japan during the Boxer Rebellion. Them nah give the full story, so. Them nah give the full story, so, yeah. Let me tell you how I go on. China have the good something them where them want. Them a tell China say them want it and things. So them did a trade and a exchange. Them a offer China certain things, forget China thing. Them, you know, China have some nine, you know, China. These are like advanced civilization, you know. China, India, you know, two of the richest and most incredible civilizations, you know, throughout the history of humanity and whatever, you know. And then people are going and destroy the people. Them things, same thing in West Africa, you know. You go to Benin and all them places and whatever, you know. And so them did offer China certain things, and China say, no, we don't want them something that we are sell with thing. And through them want it now, them decide say them have to destroy the Chinese society from within. So I saw them like consciously, intentionally say, we are going to undermine the Chinese society by making them drugged out. And I saw now them take the opium them from India. People, you can you imagine like what type of logistics have to go into doing all of this on a national scale, you know? Back in them days, they, you know, if you go get all of the drugs them from India and then if you carry it over and get the ship now and slave the people in India now and take it over this and undermine China. And then now them carry the opium over there. When the Chinese government hear about the drugs we are going and thing, the Chinese tell them, say, yo, stop bring drugs over here. It a mash up with people them. With people them not productive and whatever because you bring these drugs here. We find what you are doing. Stop it. Britain said, we not stop it, you know. Because we want what you have. We want your things then. And Britain said that from a position of power, you know. Because them time there, you know, remember, you know, England is an island. Great Britain is an island. It's an island. So, because of an island surrounded by the sea and whatever, they are placed emphasis on making sure so for them ship them are the best of the best and them weapon are the best of the best. You understand? And so when China tell them to stop it, them say, well, nah, stop it. So China go out and say, all right, what the drugs them there? And China go find the shipment and all them thing, and China destroy the drugs. This is a country doing what is best for it. They said, no, we don't want to not take drugs, so the China destroy the drugs them, the illegal drugs. Now one debate now, the illegal drugs of Britain. And Britain said, you destroy with drugs? Oh, if you destroy with drugs, you can't do that, man. And move to China, which of them want the war. Because them know say them they superior to China militarily. And when the war go down and thing, them kill off enough of them. Take over China thing them and take with them thing them and whatever, right? China did not start a war with Britain. Britain is China with the China things them and ready off of China things them and covet China things them and want the something them, right? China, they do China things and a bill for them society. And because of that, Britain say, all right, we're going to drug out your people. Them. And when them a drug out the people, them, China say, Bill, what you do? No, not do that. And Britain say, yeah, oh, you got to stop with. We want your things, them. Right? And I saw Britain, you know, when them kill them off and all these things and whatever, no, them take over the ports, them know, and I saw Britain start run things over there. And then it lead to a next war again. And from that 100 odd years and thing, Britain relegate China. I say China did a go and good, and relegate China to like the lowest of the low. Even when we did young, it was still that. Make anybody our age tell you. When we did young, when we are picnic come up, China do the place, no ratings. No ratings. And China keep back and say, all right, here we go on this thing here, We don't trust them people about. I remember, these are the people you hear people nowadays that talk about the wonders of democracy and bring civilization to the rest of the world. And if you teach these things, them say it's DEI and it's this and that and it's woke this and that, because woke, that was woke, woke was like wake up, come know the truth. And them just launched this campaign to demonize the term woke and to demonize any efforts to say, listen, you have different narratives out there, different perspectives, different interpretations, and you have been divorced from, denied the truth about a lot of things. So when you teach the truth now, it's a bad thing, right? But I say when you understand that, China managed to turn around the thing now, and I mean, as a China angel and everything, and I say nobody an angel, but I'm saying it makes sense why China at a level like, no, we went through a century of this, right? Yeah, man, I saw them teeth up the things them from China, man. And them Britain did all hold Hong Kong. Right? We old enough to know when Britain did give over back, because there was a deal in the treaty, say, them for give over back Hong Kong, I think in 1999 or year 2000. So, remember when Britain give back Hong Kong to them and whatever, you understand? So again, I'm not here saying that China perfect or this and that country perfect or whatever, but again, when you go back in our history and look at all of them something, these people who are trying to characterize non-white people as being uncivilized, barbaric, and whatever, and that they're the epitome of civilization and righteousness and dignity and all of that, and then you have these juxtapositions that they put there, these comparative frameworks that put them in the superior position, and them are the leader of the world, and them are the this and that, under the elements of things that are referred to as Christian nationalism and all of that and whatever. Don't fall for it. They try to present the history of these people as being honorable and they did so much for the world and everybody should be happy for what they did. No, there was a lot of thievery, a lot of rape, bloodshed, sick, cruel things that they did to people right through, and there was this systematic effort to minimize, diminish, decrease, reduce, the truth about those things that they did to people all over the world. Right? Me see a Chinese girl make a video with the and thing, and the girl, I say, and when I tell you she beat black people and attack all kind of, common stereotypes about black people and thing. I'm gonna just drop back there. I'm sorry for her, and I'm just I say, see the poison from white Europe, and that's where she get it from. Right? People eat. When you go, you have a set of people who just eat black people. Like automatically hate black people. How Europe that come from? Them don't know nothing about black people. Them just know them for hate black people, Hate black people to the point where they think they're licensed, they think they're sanctioned, to perpetrate violence against black people, because there's been hundreds of years of that it's open season on black folks. So you're supposed to can't do that because they're animals and whatever. And them are the animals. And them are the animals. People just don't buy it. Just don't buy it. Right? And we can't go through a whole heap of things where You see we go in Africa, Burkina Faso. You see we go on Thomas Sankara and all of them, what them do to them, right? Kwame Nkrumah, Jomo Kenyatta, Julius Nyerere, Madiba, aka Mandela, right in our country. Bogle, George William Gordon, Sam Sharp, Nanny. Right? And every time we decide, say, all right, fine, you don't like what we are going to do with one thing and we will build with one thing. And every time we build with one thing and thing, them come with some excuse for destroy. But people, when you look on what Thomas Thistle would know, right? Decades and decades are the most inhumane, I almost say inhumane violence, as if humane violence is a thing, you know. But the sickest of, like the wickedest, evilest thing, you know, for those of you who don't know, the cruelty amongst our ancestors, perpetrated on our ancestors, was so bad in Jamaica that when them did have the so-called unruly, bad slaves and from all about, one of the places to send them to was Jamaica, you know. They called it buck breaking, term usually used for animals. You know, when you have TMRs and whatever. But this was violence, you know. And it was so awful and bad in Jamaica that people would send them slaves to Jamaica for tame them, you know. And the way they tame them was just like the most cruel violence. So the truth is Jamaica is beget of violence. We're not talking 1 day, 1 month, 1 year violence. We are talking about centuries of the vilest, wickedest form of cruelty and violence, right? And right, I remember, you know, violence beget violence. So you wonder where that something they come from with Jamaicans know where as soon as them perceive some injustice, you know, for them thing is just for lash out. It's transgenerational. Am I celebrating it? Certainly not. Are we suffering from it? Yeah. We suffer because we end up do it to ourselves, no? But we know the context where it come out. We know who normalized this thing. The same people them were today I try to tell we, say we, something wrong with we. Something wrong with me, my bumbuckler. Something wrong with no, go man. So people, when you see them on the internet, as soon as a black person do something bad, admittedly, and then they start to extrapolate and to use that thing, you know, to justify their tropes that consistently argue that there is something and that there is a permanent dysfunctionality that represents a propensity for unbridled violence that is inherent in the black collective. Don't buy it. Don't buy it. We're nicer than them. And I remember, you know, you have always had white people who stood up to this too. You have always had a set of white people who have always opposed what they're doing and thing, you know, and they too don't get as much currency and capital and recognition as they deserve. You have a whole heap of white people who put on them life, and they've always opposed slavery. They've always opposed the wickedness with them compatriots, them colleagues, and them contemporaries were doing or whatever. You always have a minority of white people who oppose them thing. Yeah, you see me? right? I still like Bogle, you know. Bogle is still my favorite hero, but when me get older, you know, me say, Bomba, you know, so me rate George William Garden. Yeah, man, me rate the G, man. I rate the dog, man. Right? He didn't have look a mix in him, but he was considered a white man, you know. And the dog just stand up and say, well, now do wrong. Down with that system, yeah, burn it out and thing and whatever. And then beg George, say, George, you're big in that thing, you know, we rate you, know, but we can't have you attack all them something, they cut it out. And George said, me nah stop talk. Right? Me nah stop talk. What I do to you black people, I'm no wicked and evil enough to stop it. Right? George, there Jamaica said something to them, you know. And them no stop big George Tom and say, George, we talk to your boss him, you know. And the boss him say, we can't have your attack, so, you know, because you as a white man attack all them thing in a right G. So the boss him say, you know, stop talk, we're gonna move to you, you know. We're gonna move to you with the coach and all. George said, do what I want to do, you know. Do what I want to do, you know. Because me not stop talk, we're not wicked. Won't I do to black people now, wicked and whatever with me. So them go so boom now and them arrest George and thing and lock down George and say, George, see we serious now, you know, jail you know, you go stop now. George say, me nah stop nothing. Say, George, you know, stop, we're going to try you know, but we actually carry go court, but we can drop it thing right. And George say, do what I do, me say, me nah stop. And them carry George go court and thing and whatever. And when them a try George, them a say, George, can't come round now, you know, whatever. And when George I get tried, George I say, men a business. Right? You even right as me I tell you say, on a rank, you know, before them sentence George, you know, to kill George, you know, and them say, George, we're going to sentence you, we're going to kill you now. Can you imagine? We're going to, George, anyhow, you know, just all we ask you to do is take back your talk. Just take back your talk and stop, say, wait, you know, because we're going to sentence you. George say, me not take back no talk. And if we stop killing black people and man who are wicked and whatever, boom, them sentence George to death. You know what I'm saying? When them bring George for go hang George, them say, George, take it back now, no. We're going to kill you now, you know. George say, me not take back nothing. George say, one, somebody me want. People don't know me emotional about some things, though. Instead of one little thing, me not tell a lie, that little thing I touch me about him, you know. George say, one, somebody me want to talk to right, you know. And when what George said, I say, you know, some man, I'm a real man. The man said the only person I reach out to right now, I'm a wife. Because it's like George I said, I'm going to dead now and my wife I go out there, you know, because him understand that something there as a man, you know, and at that time as a husband, you know. So it's an honorable man, you know. So I'm the torn between that thing there, because if you're an honorable man and you have a good wife who you rate like that and all them something there, you're a woman in your life and you are there for protect her, as you should, right? You want there for her, as you should. You want to be a presence in her life, as you should. And George, I say, boy, tell my wife, say, I'm sorry, you know, but I just she me sorry to say, this I got happen, me I go dead there now, but if you don't stand up, it not go change. And we have to stand up. And sometimes when we stand up, a sacrifice have to make, you know, and people are go dead when you stand up. People, what more you can ask a man to give him life than for a cause, you know? Right? To the point where a man feel cut up about it and I say, John, no, me I feel like, we have never left my wife out there in a this, you know? And them say, it's Bailey's. Okay, don't you start. It's Bailey's. And they make George William Garden. That's why when I get older, you know, I definitely rate George William Garden more than as a white Jamaican man, you know. And of course, we don't know about the abolitionists and them people who take it to the slave holder them, like war them, you know. Bust shot on them and free up black people. White people, me talking, you know. Out of principle. So just be reminded, say they have enough white people who oppose them thing right through. But, you know, the system they did it, whatever. Again, my reasons for presenting this today, I mean, realize I'm kind of depend on a kind of serious thing. But we'll go back to a Ray, you know. But I want to know, so I just follow my spirit. I go with my spirit and thing and whatever in terms of the show, don't. But, you know, when you see them people online, or you see the newscast them, you know the usual over Fox News and thing, and you see them keep on a push a certain narrative as if they say that are the reality out there, you know. You have a problem with black people and them violence and them illegality and them wokeness and whatever. People them come in and black people who work hard in the military and all both. When I say work hard, not only work hard and whatever, but they're a part of a system. Like the US military is such that politics there, you know. But the US military is so based on performance that it's hard for you really climb through the ranks, you know, as an incompetent. It's difficult, you know, because their processes of evaluation, the military, is so detailed and so preoccupied with minutia in so many ways that it's hard for you, you know, it's hard for you batch through the system and go through and undeservedly so. And none of them politics and, you know, network and them something they see them, you know. And so it is that you have these black people who work hard and achieve what them achieve. And a guy can just come and just say, let them go, we don't want no black people. So, I don't know, we no DEI. And I care what you do, you know. You don't deserve it. I care what you achieve, you don't deserve it because you get it because it handed to you and you don't deserve it. I can't just fling them people in a bush. Even though the people them, even white people them I say, nah man, the man did this and that and whatever, we rate the man there and whatever, fling them a bush, man. And to add insult to injury, then you replace some of them with some of the most incompetent people them and whatever. When you see them something there, me no know some people can't live them life. I try please certain people. Please who? Fuck you. Right? Some people out there, them just a kiss ass and thing and whatever, and you know, fight against them own for please another guy and whatever, who, without understanding the equation, say, the way how them type of people they think, there is no conceivable scenario that they would accept that put you in a position of high achievement above them that you achieved through meritorious endeavor. So them say it's about meritocracy, it's about fairness and whatever. But if you subscribe to that system of meritocracy and work your ass off and achieve what you achieve, and it's above them say something wrong there. Something wrong there. Think about it, If it's just based on hard work, then it is statistically possible that certain people can outwork other people, and thing. But what I'm saying to you is that for them, when it's for them, it's meritocracy. When other people use meritocracy and achieve, and none of them are run things, then bring up other things and say, No. No. In the face of certain things, and them a black president and thing, you know what them I say right now? Them I say, when people say, but this is a country that is, don't you say this is based on the Constitution? They're openly now saying, yeah, but the Constitution, it's based on the Constitution, but the Constitution never written for UNO. They're openly saying that now. And even they also, the same people that want to say that, they must say it also wasn't written for women. Right? So they're open, even white women them attacking. So they must say the Constitution never written for UNO. So even if UNO do well under the tenets of the Constitution and ascend to these heights, we're not going to accept that. Those heights are exclusively for white men, not for women. And people may say something I may sound like me I contradict myself, but I want to listen carefully though. That's why I'm tell you, say, one of my, it's either a curse, well, it's not a curse, but I'm not a zero-sum thinker. I'm not one of them people who, you're either totally right and over this are totally wrong. It's like, that just goes against, the principles of reasoning, At the same time, it get complicated when them people who don't like we, then we make certain argument about another group of people that is based on a particular religion, another popular group of people out there. Right? So when that popular group of people out there now, I talk about the oppression against them and genocide against them in other area and whatever, this and that and whatever, and injustice. I not lie. So let me digress now. But I am one of those people who me notice it in your religion and in your way of life, the person that is equivalent to say Jesus is a system where this person, you openly say it. So this person take on a wife at 6 years old and then breed her at 9, consummate it at night, sex her at 9-year-old, and you say that is okay. And that is being practiced now. And when we see videos I make, we see little girls a ball and whatever being given to some big ass steering all big old tough man gone with little girls and things like that, and you say, you not speak out against that. I say it get complicated though. And then people who don't like we, they must speak out against that too. So when me I look on that, me looking at my heart and me I say, boy, when me see the little girl in my ball, And them I care with the little girl and whatever. I find myself say, you know, so I agree with them people that wanna like we say what them I do over this. People right there now, man, tell us that the world set away, yo. The world set away, man, tell you more while. More while, man. Me I tell us, and knowledge is liberating, you know. Knowledge is liberating, you know, but me I tell you, you know, that matrix something, the blue pill, red pill, is like once you know, you can't unknow. And knowledge is liberating, you know, but knowledge is a burden too, you know. Because me and one of them people, they say, you can't want the best for yourself, you know. And now look out for others. Worse, you now look out for the vulnerable and the helpless who not have a choice in terms of who make decision around them. In this instance, children, and specifically what has been going on for a long time in terms of the injustice and cruelty and wickedness against women, including little girls. So when me hear you attack about injustice we perpetrate against you and thing, but you know say, your people them have black people in a modern day slavery. The video them out there, you see it. And when we say modern day slavery, pile up hundreds of people in a Libya and Tunisia and them country, and you see it and I sell them and have them and I beat them and I kill them. And we see the video of them and you not speak out against that, but you want we come speak out for you and whatever. So why you not speak out for our people? When we know say the same amount of people killed in the transatlantic slave trade by white people, your people them kill the same amount or more of black sub-Saharan Africans and things like that, and you want we to ignore that way. Right? When we know say you still not like we when we say we're going with Morocco and Senegal, what they who follow up them something there, right? I want to just come out with something them openly and attack all kind of things. Them not like we all over the world. Them not like we. Them not like we and feel like them at liberty for just do as them like we don't. Not me I say not only white people them, but even the people them were close to we and with them. Right? Some things them when them I do to the little girl them and them something there and you go tell we say, you see them things that are going on, you not organized we speak about it and whatever and thing. You have young girls and you get the young girl them to a man, and if the girl them say them no want to choose for themselves and whatever, you kill them off and all them something, and we must just your culture, them culture and them to kill the little girl them so. Cause you give them to a man and the girl and say, but I don't want to go to no man, I want to be self-determining, I want to something. Who defend them woman? Who defend them girls? Who protect them? Who defend them picnic there? You know, the world frig up in many ways, you know, but Sonny Dawkins, big up, but me I say, while we go and pay attention to them something and do look something, right, to see how we can make even a look small difference in our own look way and thing. I could go and give thanks now. Yeah, man, I want the island to be thankful, you know. I want to be thankful. When I see what going on Nepal, at the border of Nepal and Tibet today, don't. It's like a landslide, a flood, you know, with water and mud and thing, and it just, dog, It just come over and see people are run for them life. I'm a drop back and I say, hundreds of people wake up, this morning and them just a try make life, do them little thing and this random act of nature just happen and yes, it's a man I want to see it there and just like that, you look and you see mud a roller come down to rotting and you run and you could have run till you're full, The mud catch up. I said the mud just lick down the building them. The mud just pick up a whole heap of car and thing and just flatten out the place, whatever. Me I said, John, no, me I said, yo, to the Almighty One, to the Creator, whatever your manifestation is, God, whatever the manifestation of God. Me say, it's when I see video them, I see people them are run, pick me a woman and run and the mud just go down and wipe them out, and thing, it's 100 more miss now, whatever. Me say, say, God, I give thanks to that day, yeah. I give thanks to the day and give thanks and I can sit down there and say, we don't know, and just drink a little Baileys because you never know. You never know. Sometimes I get too deep with them something, Yeah, man, sometimes me a boy, me all drive and see some roadkill, and thing, and I say, yo, the possum me just a cross and I look like a food, right? I want Range Rover go run over a possum, and the possum never did one dead, right? So there's just a randomness to life out there in terms of whatever, like, you just never know when I hear time, right? But give thanks and I live so long, People, me telling you something right just in my life, right? Me I enjoy every minute. People, me I tell you say some things that reach me, me not lie on some rough something reach me, up to recently, something reach me, and me have to make some hard choice, Yeah, man, me I tell you say one big thing reach me, whatever, and then in the end we'll find out what is what. We'll find out what is what. And know what, right? Know the movement, know the things and whatever, I mean, I chat to people in Jamaica and them say, no, we can't do so. Well, them want money still. If people them want to do certain things, them want money. But apart from the money, if you just say, yo, say the word. A real thing me I telling people. Yeah, man. A vile thing got on recently, man. Broke my foot certain way. Yes, what me I say? And somebody disappear and Ray. And then I say, Ray, boom, badang, bang, bing, 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 bing. Yeah. And a crew, yeah, Nah, no one person. Boop, bap, 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 beep, beep, beep. Right? I'm say, yo, say the word, man. Boom, boom, You just send on what you have to send on and, And we do so. Yeah, man, I have to keep back and just say, you get up every day and you tell people, say, your choices are your consequences, don't you? Tell the youth them that, don't you? Tell them, say, it easy for you say you're going to do the right thing, but when you're in the middle of it, and you feel like it's a red, don't. And I tell them, say, at that time, sometimes you have to make some choice we give you long-term protection, but short-term exposure, Yeah, man, sometimes you have to make some choice against yourself in the short term in order to get the win in the long term. Let me say that again. Sometimes you have to make some choices against yourself in the short term in order to stay up on the right path and thing, When you see it and you say, boy, a easy thing for you say, and of course the easy thing always turn out right not easy, you know, because every action produces a reaction, you know, and are you prepared for go through that little door there? And I saw me just I look back on all this thing and Nepal and Tibet now and thing and me I say, and this man I will get up and them people I get up and kill them entire family. You know, we talked about earlier, and me I look on what happened in Nepal and say, me I say them people don't have them life right, you know, them don't even have the opportunity to make certain choices and thing and whatever. I look with all them white people I get up every day with them double standard and all them something there and whatever, you know, and through it all, we still have so much to be thankful for, don't? And yeah, me have three little ones, them and me always have to think about too. You see what I say? Yeah, man, and so things can get difficult, and you say, boom, you know, yeah, know, say, you know, without load up certain things, you know, say you deal with certain things certain way, and I pass, and you know, your mind, you feel like, say, you can deal with it back again and go back this way you did there, you know, and thing, and that's how people get knocked, you know. Yeah, man, because, you know, what work back in the day, so now, not still work, so now, you know. And if you go down certain part, make up your mind, say if you go down that part, then be prepared to do what you need to do to survive in another part there. You understand? If you decide, say you go open a certain door, and you go down, but I believe, say you go just open the door and disappear, so and whatever. Worse if, you know, when I was in law school, my criminal law professor, him say, him not tell you if you do nothing. I just tell you, man, brilliant man. Like my criminal law professor is like a friggin' genius. But him just know a crime like that, you know. And him say, with that reason, I say, yo, people get away with crime and thing and whatever. And him say, what the best way? Use a man a genius and thing. If you commit crime, what the best way for you commit crime? And him pause and him say, do it yourself. Just you and you alone. Nobody else. Not tell nobody. And we were like, that's it? And him like, yep. So if you ever commit crime, do it yourself. You and you alone. So once you involve somebody else and thing, and him said that just bring in that. Him say like him that say like 90% of the law out there, it have to deal with more than one person and thing, you know? And him say if you do it yourself, or you know, or just you against the evidence and thing and whatever, you know. Yeah, so I saw when all them things come up now and then, you know, me I talk to somebody and somebody say, dog, just say the word, man, we do so and so and so and so. And I'm like, me I say, Yeah, and that's something I have to just I say, you know what, let it go. Let it go. Let it go, Raga, let it go. You have life. See, we're going to Tibet and thing, let it go. You have life. You can't keep moving, you know. Them people out here say all them things about black people and all them something there and whatever and thing like that. And in that space there, I have so much to be thankful for, same way. Let it go. Yeah, man, sometimes you have to kick where you want a foot so you can stand up stronger later, you know. Yeah, you see how the world frig up out there and thing and whatever, and me I say, a little girl can born and when she's 9, 10 years old, the people them who supposed to protect her, and I just say, based on the rules of society, me I go give over to the 49-year-old man, yeah, and I look a girl a ball and a big, and I say, no. But you are going to say, based on the rules of your religion and who Mr. Man say and whatever, you supposed to do that. So that little girl was just born in a demographic and a cultural system, a social cultural system where from birth she was relegated to a certain status where other people go and determine what happens to her at an early age in order to promote the interests and the pleasures of others who are supposed to be protecting her. And of course, like most parents, you see them something that you think about your daughter. My last child of my daughter, I think about my daughter. I said, John, my daughter do well, she did on the honor roll at school and whatever, and this and that. I gotta give thanks, Don't fuck it up. Don't go do nothing stupid. Crazy world out there, though. And I ain't, we have a little thing that we be thankful for. No for no. Again, me always have to remind on every now and then, Remember, what Zig Ziglar say, when them did I tell him, say, motivation speech, no do nothing. All it do is make people feel good. And whatever. And Zig Ziglar famously responded and saying, yeah, so is taking a shower, so is bathing, but we get up and do it every day, don't? So to maintain a certain hygiene, we get up and we do the same thing every day. We bathe every day. And that is the principle behind spiritual food. Right? That is the principle behind getting daily reinforcement. Now, I don't do these talks daily, but so I do them periodically, but it's the same principle. Like, yeah, it's repetitive, but it's just a reminder. Remember, whatever happens to you is always a result of your choices. Always. 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 Raga talk about the degree girl or whatever, but I know what you mean, I don't know about that. Switch. People, tell me if that woman I do anything wrong. She born up here, but her father is a Jamaican, but she don't know her father. But her father is Jamaican and her mother white. And somewhere in that mix, she love Jamaican man. I always date Jamaican man. She a cook breakfast for her man, Jamaican man. And at some point, with whatever reasoning and thing, she concluded that Ackee and scrambled egg no really taste different and them no really look different. Now, as a Jamaican, I can tell you that no, me not get that. And I think you all share the same with me. Ackee no taste like scrambled egg. And for we, Ackee and scrambled egg are two different things. But remember now with them something, you have to take yourself out of your space and put yourself in somebody else's space and see if there is any credibility to what they must say. Remember, again, what I'm saying. So you know what you know, and you know what you see. But again, in order to really understand, you have to take yourself out of your space, put yourself in the other person's space, and then see if you can see how them can say that. Me know you probably not gonna agree with me. Again, me as an individual, me not see it. Neither the taste nor the look. But put yourself in a fit them space now. Right? Me don't know how the ackee cook. But anyone that we can just know say we boil ackee first and then we cook it down with seasoning, right? When we cook it down with seasoning, when we don't cook down ackee with seasoning, particularly if you put tomato in it and like a black pepper in it, well, tomato especially, it give it a different color. The oil and them something that it give the ackee a different color. So we not confuse it. But talk to people, when ackee boil and done boil, worse if you go. For those of you who don't know, in Jamaica, it's a big deal to boil ackee and don't make it mash up. Yes, it tastes the same way, but there's a thing amongst Jamaicans, but the ackee not from my. Well, don't ask me where it come from. I'm just telling you what it is, all right? There's a thing amongst Jamaicans that when you boil ackee, you must do it in such a way so the ackee don't mash up. It's like a cardinal sin for mash up the ackee, right? It's the same ackee when you boil, you know, it tastes the same way, you know. If you mash up the ackee when you boil it and you taste it, it's going to taste the same way. But amongst Jamaicans, it's a cardinal no-no for mash up the ackee, right? Jamaica don't mash up the ackee. Like, a lot of Jamaicans won't even eat the ackee if it mash up. They're not going to trust it, right? I know it don't make sense. If you're not Jamaican, it probably don't make sense to you because you're going to say, but it's the same exact thing, right? So just know amongst us, you have scrambled egg. We don't have scrambled ackee. We don't do scrambled ackee, right? If the ackee don't boil, for Jamaicans, the ackee must be intact. If the ackee mash up, your ratings drop. Ask any Jamaican in a chat if I lie, me and tell, right? If you boil ackee and the ackee mash up and thing, you're not looked on in good light. You're not a good cook. You're not a good cook. And the ackee boil the same way, you know. It boils the same amount of time or whatever, but there's this thing amongst Jamaicans. Don't you ever mash up the ackee. And for a lot of Jamaicans, even mash up the ackee, boom. Some Jamaicans, when they mix it up with the saltfish and thing, them will work with it and whatever. Or you have some people that put callaloo with ackee and them something. So them afford for it mash up look a bit, particularly when you cook it down. But just so you know, it's a cardinal rule among Jamaicans. Don't mash up the ackee. However, if this woman a boil the ackee and the ackee mash up and it's yellow, I can see where she can, you know, the first point that the ackee and the scrambled egg look similar. Come on, man. You can't say that where boiled ackee and scrambled egg look similar. Take yourself out of your space. Well, you see it, Veronique said true, but there are different types of ackee. Me I go tell you, so me never know said there are different types of ackee. So she said, butter ackee soft, bad. It's a fight not to mash it up. Well, you know say me I don't know cook, right? The only people me can cook better than is the ANC woman and Angemelli and the Canadian, right? Yeah. The only people I'm a better cooker than is the ANC woman, Angemelli, and the Canadians. And Angemelli is a Canadian, so there's a degree of redundancy there. But me never know say you have different types of ackee. Me think say ackee was just ackee. Me never know say you have something named butter ackee, where hard of a state. Well, so Veronique, you have butter ackee, but is that the only separate ackee with them about? Butter ackee, is that the only one with them about? Do you have another type of ackee with a name different from butter ackee? Cooker, you will know them. So Cooker, come up in our chat. People, Cooker is a chef. Sonia, but don't mix Canada in your cooking. You know, say, me think me know what is butter ackee now. Kimmy Kimmy Ling, butter and cheese. Kimmy, wait. Kimmy, what you mean by that? You have something named cheese, Ackee? Yes, if you mix cheese with butter, like. You have cheese, Ackee? Kimmy, somebody say you're gone too far, you know. Kimmy, somebody say you're gone too far. Cooker, wagwan.
Bless the love, Raga. Bless the love. Bless everybody. Good night. One love, you know what I'm saying?
Cooker, Veronique say you have something named butter Ackee. Me think me know shit that. That's half Ackee there. You have any other type of Ackee?
No, there's no other kind of Ackee. You have
No,
one
but
Ackee.
somebody say you have one Ackee named cheese Ackee.
I never heard that in my life. And me, Ackee me grow up on. Ackee feed me all of my life, okay?
No,
butter
man.
Ackee, yes.
Veronica say you have cheese Ackee and butter Ackee. So something what you never know. You learn something today. Humble
exactly.
yourself.
I'm Kingstonian.
Humble yourself. You hear them say butter and cheese Ackee. Cooker, me never know them something, you know.
I never heard of cheese Ackee before. And that's facts. We can't help it. But butter Ackee, yes. My key away though, it was soft. Raga, from a pick it's soft. From an open, you touch it's soft. None can, it stay soft forever.
Well, yes,
And hold
on. For you open it up, it's soft, though.
Yeah, if I open
why are you laughing?
I'm
lost.
open.
I'm lost. Like,
no. Yes, butter Ackee from an open, it's soft.
You open it up, it's soft.
There's nothing you can do about it. It's just soft.
Just soft something.
And you did the one now where it just stay hard. You boil it, it just stay older. You go with your oven and come back, it stays whole. You know what I'm saying?
So the two of them, you have a type where you open it, it's soft, and one next one where you open it, it's hard.
It's hard, yes.
Oh.
That's what I said. And I'm sticking to my words, okay?
All right. I'm listening. I'm learning.
I'm an Ackee specialist, okay?
Yeah.
Ackee specialist.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So that's it. But I have met someone before who thought that Ackee was egg.
Was scrambled egg, no?
Yes. I met someone, they asked me. They asked me, say, oh, you think scrambled egg? I said, that's Ackee. So Ackee isn't Ackee egg? I said, no, Ackee's not egg. I thought it was egg. I'm saying so.
So you can see where a person who not used to it can think them look really simple.
Yes. Yeah. It can pass. Whereas a person really can't cook.
Though. If you who can cook? Here's a question though. I hear what some people disagree with me. Cooker, if you boil the Ackee, right? And season it and cook it down like how Jamaican cook it down yet. But the Ackee boil, right? You don't think it's similar in taste to scrambled egg before without any, seasoning or salt and pepper upon it and thing? You don't think it have a similar taste?
No. I can't even put my... No. There's a no to that.
What me I say, me say, for me as a Jamaican, or me raised, me not see the similarity even in the taste, right? And me not see, if me look on scrambled egg, and me look on Ackee, because that's how we're just raised. We're not confused. Yes. We're always raised like that.
That's correct.
If you put yourself in somebody else's shoes, you can see how they would have see, like, it even taste similar.
Maybe because they don't know the taste of Ackee like how me and you name Ackee all our life. You know what I'm saying?
But that is my point. I'm just saying, can't you see? What me I say is, if somebody say salt mackerel tastes like scrambled egg, I'd be like, what? Like I can't see. Even if I put myself in your shoes, I can't see. If somebody say, you don't think callaloo tastes like scrambled egg, I'll be like, no. When I put myself in your shoes, I can't see. But me kind of think say, I can't see where there's a similar taste in you know, for them, not for me.
You
Because
can
where them
see.
can reach a
Can you
point where
see?
them must say,
Rather, I say you
yo,
can see or you can
no,
taste. Which one?
taste. Because see what them would have said, no, this tastes, Ackee tastes similar to scrambled egg. I think so. I don't know.
I
No,
can't pass that one there.
no.
But I mean, a person could make a judgment. Maybe they could.
Cooker,
Just because the looks.
those some Ackee bland. Talk it truth.
Yes.
If it
Of course.
when you done
Depends on
boil,
who cook it.
right? I remember saying when we are boil it, people are put salt in it when them are boil it.
They put salt and they put pepper in there, pepper
When
seed
them
and
are
everything.
boil
That kind of thing. You said?
So if
Yeah.
somebody just boil it and not do them something that where we put in it and things, so by the time it
It's
come out, it
possibility
already
you
have
can put that
taste with the
where
salt and the
change.
pepper. Me see people are boil Ackee and just drop all the scotch in it, you know. Them not cut it
Yeah,
scotch in it.
yes.
Them just drop the scotch in it. And that give flavor. Right? It give a certain flavor. You see what I say? Tell her for wait, man. I wish I call you for you talk to you on the phone at talk, man.
I saw this thing. Once you come on the blood, every time you come in the chat, everybody start calling the same time. Why I don't know.
No, and you know what is weird? Cooker, fix up that now.
What's that?
Well, you just fix it up.
You say them call me because every time they chat.
No, man. What you say about that?
I remember me say that. I talk to me sometime. They want to say sometime.
Yeah, you say them kind of ear your pan ragga. No, all right. Well, I'm going to give thanks, because you never go far with it. You never say, to them hear me a ball out pan ragga, you know? Like, that would be even worse. You know what I say? But anyway, so when I say, I'm being an idiot. But me can't see if the Ackee just boiled, so you know, throw like a scotch in it, or no pepper in it, or no this and that in it, and the Ackee just boil bland, so and thing. Me can't see where somebody, if them just throw egg, because you know some of them when them a scramble egg, them barely use any oil, you know. Some people not using oil that much, you know.
You know, and some just a little butter sometimes.
Yeah, and thing, but me can't see where that can be similar in taste.
Well, one thing with Ackee, up to now, in my 50s, and Ackee is one of the most delicious food ever could come out of Jamaica. It's nice, bad.
No, I love it now, you know, but me never did love it that much when me look a bit, you know.
I heard a guy mention years ago, say, if black pepper not on Ackee, it not taste good. I'm running away. I say, you know what I talk about, Raga. And I prove it, said, Raga, when you cook your Ackee down, Ackee and salt, Ackee whatever thing, if you not sprinkle like a black pepper on it, Raga, it come like, black pepper bring up the taste so much. It's crazy because I don't cook with black pepper. And I only have black pepper in my house just to cook Ackee only.
Yeah, Ackee and black pepper go together, you know, big time.
Trust me, Raga, if you not sprinkle like a black pepper, Raga, trust me, it even look good. It even look good.
Yeah, Ackee and black pepper, me don't know it, then just go together. Like the Ackee them when meal up.
It's a must, Raga, it's a must.
But you know, but I put up there with the black pepper, I know some people are going to disagree with it. When me just say, the Ackee them will cook with it, the tomato.
Tomato after nowadays no taste. I start taste a sour taste to the tomato now, where I've been eating for years and never tasted it. I start tasting it lately. But tomato is always good to go with Ackee also. But I'm not a tomato
What you mean?
person.
Nowadays tomato them nothing.
Yeah, it starts having like a sourish taste to it. Tomato.
But hold on, Cooker, isn't that true of everything now? Carrot not taste the same way, radish not taste the same way, turnip not taste the same way, beetroot not the beetroot them nowadays them not them.
I would say
when me look a bit, me never like beetroot. Me never like beetroot when me look a bit, right? When me look a bit, me never like beetroot. And me can't tell you say the beetroot or it taste back then and also beetroot taste now. None of them say me not taste the way them used to taste, Cooker.
That is true. But I was saying, I get ageable and my taste bud a change, you understand? That's it.
Cooker, tell me the truth. And me ask you because I know you are going to know and me not going to know, right? You hear me just say?
Okay.
Me ask you that question here. And me ask you because you are going to know and me not going to know. And me know why me not going to know and me know why you not. Cooker. Don't everything where people eat taste different now than before?
Everything tastes different now. Everything. Everything tastes different, brother.
Everything tastes different now, Cooker door.
Everything tastes different
What is
now,
the
yes.
world coming to?
I have no idea what's going on. But I can't help it. I just continue to do what I must do, okay?
You continue to do what you must do. Yes.
Must do.
Yes.
Simple as that.
And I want to commend you for your remarkable community service over the years, you know?
Yes.
Yes, you have
And since Raga, also since my bingo party, I want to thank all the ANC show up Raga big time.
yeah, me
A
say
gang of them come.
well, you see, you get it wrong a while ago. You see, them are gonna vex with you.
All of them, and I
It wasn't the ANC who show up, it was the SDC.
SDC. Actually, I can't spell, so I say it sometime. Hush.
No, but a
Tell me
two enemy, and then you go just go mix it up and whatever. The ANC
Alright,
wasn't there.
SDC.
It was the SDC. Come see them when I'm going to come. Remember, you'd have to change the day, you know.
Yes.
Right?
Well,
Gotta
who to
ring.
come, big up and respect and in the regular TamFam show. Because you know them send all the people and come support me. I'm saying give thanks and praise. I'm saying it was very good.
But just save
And
your
them enjoy
life, you know.
themselves,
Tell
okay?
me thanks, you know. But just save your life. Tell me
Yes,
thanks.
thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, because the SDC them went, cause Mrs. Sharman letter take
Yes.
video
Taller.
and post and say, yo,
Taller.
I cook at the thing, the taller and
Yeah,
letter are the same
yeah.
person, here?
Yes.
Here?
The same.
Anytime you miss a letter, a taller may I refer to, yeah?
Tyler, okay.
Yeah.
Tyler is the lady that come with our crew, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Big up, big up, big up, big up,
And
you know what I'm saying?
a straight SDC them, right?
So, why you happy me?
I know, I save your life because I know them, if she and Sean book you again and whatever, about 15
yeah.
bucks you'd have
Beer
get.
butt.
Yeah,
A
be
beer
a
butt
box you'd have get some but where it's a
I
beer,
tell you what.
where it's a beer butt you'd have get.
Beer butt, yeah. Beer butt. Beer head butt.
Oh, Ed butt, okay.
Yes, head butt.
Alright, cool.
But back to saying Raga about the Nepal thing, Raga. This morning I woke up and was on TikTok and I saw the thing. I laughed, Raga, I was laughing. I said, look at the AI. I said, wicked Raga, I never ever can see water come over buildings. So I never see that in my life yet. On the movie alone, I see that pan. So I was thinking it was AI. Like, you know, no, this that's an AI scroll past it. Then I scroll again, send another clip of the exact same thing.
Mhm.
Oh, same AI again. Then I see CNN post it. I'm look good and Raga, when you look at the Raga, it's like a 5-story building. The water come over the building.
Yeah, it was
Like,
well, I don't know if it's 5
like a
story.
monster.
Yeah, it's a multi-story and it
I
just
see
come
people
and
in the road, I run up and down.
I run up
I just
and down.
move everything. I was shocked. I'm like, water can do this? Where does water come from?
Yeah, but yeah, the water kind of muddy water, you know? Yeah, come down and thing and
Because I know as a tsunami where the sea come over and take it time, just come up, and you run and murder and that's it. But Raga, I never seen nothing like this yet. At the first,
wait, one
me I
second.
see something the video of something like this.
Wait, one
Like,
second. Somebody's saying if
the water come over buildings.
wait, one
and
second,
move
Cooker,
everything, everybody.
Cooker, 1 second.
That's crazy.
Yeah, now somebody's asking if Nepal is in India. No, Nepal is a country by itself. Okay? Okay, go on, yeah. Yeah, man, may I tell you, man.
Yes. It was on the border at Nepal and Tibet.
Yeah.
It's on the border.
Yeah, right.
On the border right there.
Mm-hmm.
So, boy, Raga, it was crazy, Raga. I see that to them, it's a bomb clean, was Raga, I start think different about life now.
No. When you look on it and you see the people, them are raw. Because the way them show, you know, obviously the people them see it before we see it coming at the video, you know. So for those of you who haven't seen it, when you're watching it, you just see people are running a certain direction. Them are run.
And when you look at the water over the building like a monster.
And them are run past multiple cars, multi-story building and so forth. So that is what you see. So just imagine you see that people are run. And then you just see the water, the mud water come.
Mud water.
Tell you,
it's a big slow and water. There's some slush, mud.
Big mud, just
everything
come
in it.
over and just...
And gone with everybody.
Gone with people, the whole building, you know. The whole building and the car, them and coaster and everything and the people.
Just crush the building them. Just crush them and guard them.
And the people them just disappear.
And people in it, you know what I'm saying? So that was crazy, brother. That's right. That was frightening today. Very frightening. I was like,
Cooker, when me look on it, me keep back and
I
me
said,
say,
backside.
give thanks in a day, you know. Me I go through this and that, but you know what? Look what some people they I go through and look at me they right, you know. You understand? Give thanks to it. Honestly, I don't miss I said, boy, me give thanks. Because you see these things, you can't see them and there is this element of distance. So you unconsciously have this sense of security that this is not, these things don't happen over here, you know, until you have a earthquake in, until you have a earthquake in California or something like Sandy come or a hurricane in Florida or whatever. But this whole thing like it happen over this one, you can get comfortable with that, and be thankful because somehow you think you're, it's not going to affect you, type of thing,
All these people, they have how much tourists was right there? They have 400 tourists that was right there. They're all gone. You know what I'm saying? Or missing.
Yes, I saw that. That them
They are
said
missing.
because it's a popular tourist spot, for all its ancient
Yes.
this and that and whatever. And they're saying that there were 100, and if you don't know, most of the tourists go there, they go for religious reasons. It's
Okay.
that area is big for
Yes.
religious stuff. And just think about it, that those people, hundreds of tourists missing. Hundreds of tourists missing right now. Hundreds of tourists missing. Them don't know where them did. And let us be honest. I know over there them live. So and I like you can't say tourists gone over, anti-Judushka or whatever,
Yeah.
So you know what gonna happen as the days go on. The counter gonna go up.
Yes, brother, that was massive. That was monstrous. I saw that and I said, yo, this death toll gonna be ridiculously, because all that mud just come this rag and it just bust the building like the building a paper, like a paper. It just crush the building and just move it. So a stone, car, iron, everything, mud, you can't survive that. Who can survive that? It's gonna be hard to survive that. Hard. Plus people.
Nah, man, I see them things.
I don't know what time it was in Nepal at the time. It was 9 o'clock. It happened 9 o'clock today, our time. I don't know what time it was over there, but hopefully it was daytime where people out of them house, because we see too much house gone also. On the hillside, house gone also. I'm sure the hillside them where the river come down and enough every house gone same way. On the hillside.
You sure it was 9 a.m. here?
Yeah, it's at 9 a.m. this morning. 9 a.m. Well, you could have right. It's at 9 a.m. That's which time.
Oh.
But I am assuming that it I saw it about 10 o'clock that time. So I was assuming it was 9 a.m. our time. That's assumption.
Yeah, over there they're usually anywhere from 10 to 4, between 10 and 14 hours ahead, depending on location or time difference,
Yeah, could be even. It could be even because for tourists for tourists on the street like that, one night it would be evening time basically.
Right. We're it's 9:20 p.m. Eastern time here, and it is 7:05 a.m.
in Nepal.
In Nepal now, so you see, you're looking at you remember I tell her like 10 to, so you're looking at a 12.
10 hours. 10 hours basically. So our 9 a.m. down there would be something like nearly for them on 7 o'clock in the evening.
Yeah, probably something like so, no sir?
Okay.
Yeah.
Trust me, Raga, that was scary today. Just looking like that, and like if something like this happen, I don't know how so much water gather up and come there so like that.
Cooker, say the US, when the whole thing did go with Venezuela, the US scoop up some Venezuela, deport them. And when them deport them and them reach down there, them put all of the deported them in a one building. Right? Figure process them. Remember them the America, and them get deported. And when them get them drop a Venezuela, and put them in a one building. And right as them put them in a one building, the hurricane come and flatten that building there. And I'm just, when somebody I make me know, and thing, I see it and whatever, I say, when, them the America live the American dream, and then them get bite and get deep and them drop back in them country, and I think we say, boy, I'm never gonna start home and whatever. Random earthquake. A hurricane, me say earthquake. Me say earthquake. Me say earthquake. A earthquake come and
kill them all.
Enough of them dead. Flatten the bin. See, somebody said the family them I try sue and thing. Sue what? They not get nothing out of that. Nah get nothing out of that. But the point me I make we could give thanks now. Cheers to you, my brother. Cheers to you, my brother.
We have to.
Cheers to you, my brother, and for the good work where you put in there, because the eatings change and you hold it like a G in your service to humanity and the ladies out there and thing. Cooker, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself and thing. And if you ever go the eating meeting and you say posts and thing and them people, they big them up for me, all right? And Craigton and them people who always Neil, you know Neil?
No, I don't know Neil.
Neil, but he mostly over YouTube though. But Neil, he has never missed one of the eating meeting, them and thing and whatever. He doesn't have an executive position and thing. He's always quiet there. But big up all of the TamFam man, them and thing. Cheers, When we say life, make we go and enjoy life. And big up Dog Bite and them over there, seeing and thing.
Craigton's a present.
I'm mad at and Craigton, you think he easy. But Cook, everything else balance up otherwise, though, don't.
So far, so good. But they are all it, Ragas. Now all it can't let go, you know what I'm saying? Let go too far for drop them, you know what I'm saying?
Last question.
Yes, sir.
Any one of the SDC them did win any of the TV them?
No, they didn't win nothing at all, Raga. Them start.
Them never win nothing at all.
They never win nothing at all.
You know who did one come? But she never get to make it either, because she never come on the day when they keep, but then they postpone it because the whole heap of rain. Because she need a TV, so I don't know if you can do anything for her. Otherwise, if you can't do it, that's fine. Okay?
I'll talk to you and work something out. We can work something out.
It's Munchie.
We can work something out.
Munchie.
Okay, yeah, Munchie. Yeah, we can figure out something. We can figure something out for her.
Yeah, because it kind of sticky on her. She said all her TV she watch on her phone.
Oh, that's not good, that. I could go bad.
Yeah, but the thing is, she hot girl a foreign and don't have a TV. So that them two things that don't go together and thing, Yeah.
They're feeling me.
Yeah.
They're feeling me.
And a girl will travel go Jamaica all the while and look good and dress good and whatever, but she's a TV-less foreigner. And, when you walk around with like a burdensome secret and thing like that, and it affect you, can we see what it impact her and whatever, So we are going to try. I don't know. She don't forget that
we can figure something out for her. 1, 2, 3, that Raga.
I can't have Munchie and again. And say the ANC, them no buy her a TV.
So now our colleagues, them?
Our colleagues, them and thing, but them no buy her a TV.
Yeah, maybe some animosity are going in the camp.
Wait, hold on. Karen, what? AI I go mad somehow. Me I tell somebody about this and them I say it's not real, it's AI. I saw, you have some people out there, not care what them saying up on social media, AI.
What's the AI? What, the flood?
No man, because she said Karen said she tell somebody say a real thing and them I say AI. But me I say you have some people out there, not care what them say, it's just automatic for them, it's AI.
Tell her to go CNN.com and she'll see it.
No, Karen I said she tell somebody.
Yeah, tell her friend, tell her friend to go CNN.com.
Yeah.
And she'll see it. Because this must look and say it's real.
Yeah.
But anyway, Raga, tell Munchie to link up and we'll figure something out for her, okay?
Yeah,
1, 2, 3.
If you can do a thing for her and thing, remember Munchie from the ends.
Raga, it's the once a year name call. Everything will start out properly, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, look out for her. We can't have,
we will do.
She watch TV on her phone and all them thing there. It no look good. It no look good. And she the TamFam too and thing. It no look good and thing. Whatever, All right, my brother. Big up yourself.
Man has a respect, yeah.
Yeah, man. Cool. It don't look good for Munchie and things. So Munchie, no worry yourself, you know. Your sister them not give you TV, you know, but we work out a thing for you, yeah? All right, we have you. Don't worry yourself. I'm give you a little flatters to go and watch. You see what I say? Raga, you need it to replace the big back one where you you know, and Liberty. Yeah. Hello.
Yes, Raga, good night.
What's up?
Good night. You know, say a long time, you come off of the subject and everything about the Ackee.
Yeah, talk
But
to
me
me,
still,
man.
me still there, hold on. But then again, you're not easy, you know, talk about the eating change. Me love read between the lines, you know. You go on, you know, about the eating change.
But what are you talking about, man?
Are you reading between? I'm reading between the lines, Raga.
Me no know Cooker say
Out of
all
the
of the
box.
thing them say Cooker say them not
And
taste like
you
how
come
them.
up with it about the
No,
eating
it's
change.
Cooker say the thing them how them taste back then them not taste so again. You know, me no know.
And then you say everything changed. Anyway,
Yeah.
with this Ackee and saltfish, all this Ackee thing,
Ackee
you know,
and
say
scrambled egg. Mm-hmm.
you're talking about, but then you know you start talking about the Ackee.
Yeah.
This morning, Raga, cause me work at night. Tonight I'm a night off. You
Yeah.
catch me. This morning me I come from work, you know. And me I said, Jesus, me tired, man. Me nah go home go look about no breakfast, you know. Me I go see if one restaurant down here some named Jamaica or Jam something another. But them sell good food. So me say me I go get some Ackee and saltfish with 2 dumpling and banana. When me go to the restaurant close from one day, me say them, me don't know what I go on with the youth. Anyway, them have a Guyanese restaurant in a East Orange. So me drive go look further out to East Orange there. Go over there now. I say me go get one of them roti, you know, that Guyanese love them roti or them bake and whatever.
Them Indian thing.
Here the woman come, and you got them. Here the woman come. We have bacon, Ackee and saltfish. Me say, well, lady, she say Ackee and saltfish. Me say, one country can cook Ackee and saltfish. She say, like she was a little offended, so me nice it up, you know. Me say, but don't take me too serious. Me taste it though. She carry a little bit in a one little container come. You know them little plastic tasting container.
Yeah, look around something. Yeah.
Rather when the Ackee come, not a black pepper, 2 little crump of saltfish and the Ackee. Me say a tin Ackee, but that no matter.
Right.
So then you know myself then how are this? That's what me taste it. Me don't know how them they don't like them boil with no salt.
Oh.
Me don't know what them do. You know, like them drain off the you know
Water.
when they can things, you have to wash it with plain water. Just run some plain water over the can Ackee or the can kalalu and them something because it have a lot of what them this potassium or whatever they put in to keep it, and that thing does not taste good. Like them wash it and then just throw it from the can in the pot.
But wait, hold on. Stop right there. Stop right. Hold on. So are you telling me that Jamaicans in general, when them buy tin Ackee, them not only
We
chew
wash
off
it.
the water, but wash over the tin Ackee? Yeah?
You have it, and sometimes we put it in a hot water too.
No, see somebody sweet piece, you know, you have to run boiling water over it.
Of course, you put it in a hot water too. We are one different kind of people in a Raga. We
Listen
not
to
play
me.
now.
I mean, well, but you not do that wash off something there with anything else. You not do that with tin mackerel.
A tin mackerel, you can't wash off.
You do that with tin kalalu?
Yes, you have to run water by it because the tin, they put something to conserve it. And that thing, and a potassium, I can't the right name, but they have something.
Well, on, everybody agree with you, know. Everybody agree with you. The whole of the woman them over here agree with you. Like them myself. But yeah.
They're out of taste. You have to run water over it.
No, but you see, I always tell people in a sidebar, you know, I tell people, say, when me travel, me realize, say, Jamaicans and Caribbean people are the cleanest set of people in our world, you know.
Man, you can't
Are
just
the
that's what
cleanest set of people in the world. And when me travel, I see what people not do. Me realize, hey, I wanna say wash things and thing and all them something there,
Yes,
you know.
man. And clean up kitchen and wash things and bleach down kitchen and bleach down bathroom
And
them.
nothing enough, no buy nothing and wear it, so you know it have to wash first
correct.
before no wear it, you know.
You know that scratch. No, some I don't want if you wear so. Right now, I used to them me buy one comforter set and it there in the laundry basket for go wash tomorrow. Me not put it on my bed. Me not sleeping on it. So anyway, back to the Ackee.
Yes.
Anyway, me say to her, me say, lady, this is not Ackee and saltfish, you know. She say, what?
You know you're out there, I do. What go on?
He said, this not taste good. And at $12 for the I said, this not taste good. She said, what? So I said, I'm tell you, I got tell you. You see me like you, so I got teach you how to cook Ackee and saltfish.
Yeah.
And I tell her, so you have to get your onion, your scallion. I don't put too much tomato in a Ackee and saltfish, because tomato change flavors.
Okay.
Piece of tomato, not too much. Sweet pepper. You can, some people put piece of garlic.
Well, sweet pepper is not a must, though.
It's not a must.
Right.
Not a must. And sweet pepper is not a must in that. But, you know, you can, if you have it, a restaurant, them a cook for.
Yeah.
You want pretty up the thing. So me I tell her, I say, me come from a place called Natto Bay. And my family run one of the biggest restaurant named Countryside. And you go to Natto Bay right across it from the Harriet School. And we are one of the best. So me know what me I tell you, say, lady.
Yes.
And me tell her, and me say, cut up your scallion and your onion. If you strip the time, because we don't want no sticky now with Ackee and saltfish. If you can get the restaurant, the cooking card to tie your time together, strip it.
Well, you need to, there's a set of women around here, them in a crew named the ANC.
Yeah.
Right? And them cook with too much time. Them have this obsession with time. So I'm glad you just said that, so they will have heard, you know, and things like that, you know, that the ANC.
I mean, oh, and yeah, you talk about them.
Yeah, the Ants crew, them love time. They're obsessed with time. I don't know why, but
some people love time.
yeah, they
know, it's a flavorful herb.
Yeah, for them thing that. Yeah. But go on talk.
So me I tell her, me I say, when you get them there, you cut up your onion, you cut up your scallion, your thyme, they call it chive. You cut that up, and not thyme. The onion, your scallion, you strip off little thyme. And I tell her, I said, don't, you know, go put the thyme right away. You know, you go get your tomato and then you go saute them till they cook on low fire.
Hold on. You saute them without the thyme, right?
First, because thyme tend to burn.
So you don't saute the thyme with it, right?
Well, when me I cook for me yard, me put my time in there, but a restaurant them I cook for.
Right. But when me I say, you know, start like, you know, like you put the garlic early, you know, put the thyme with the garlic and thing, right?
You put your onion, your scallion and your garlic and you take time and you saute them there and get the flavor.
Look, the ANC woman them and listen, yeah.
Me say a flavor, you do this thing. When you get that flavor now, me tell her you have to boil out your saltfish. And this and the little Ackee, the only thing you taste in there, our funny taste. So you know it come straight from the tin. Me say that not work. You have to wash off that.
Oh.
Me I show you, me I tell you want to cook Ackee and saltfish, me I go tell you how to cook it. And you have to wash off that in a little, run it in a little warm water or whatever.
Yeah.
Take off that sticky taste.
That sticky taste off, yeah.
And me tell her, and me say, when you don't know, you pick up your saltfish and you boil off your saltfish and you pick it up and so you add the saltfish to the saute season. And you add some black pepper. And you go and cook up that, and then now the last thing you go put in your Ackee with a little more black pepper to taste.
Right.
And you remember your Scotch bonnet pepper.
And you have to make sure when she put in the Ackee, she not crush up the Ackee, right?
Me tell her, say we don't eat crush up Ackee around here. We don't eat and a plot where I cook. We no plot when and you know?
Right.
Me say me here when I tell her, say, Then you take time, turn on your stove and make your ackee. And you know if you flood it with overflood it with oil, not if you swim pan it up.
Right. But
Because
for whatever reason, though, a lot of Jamaicans them love like a good amount of oil when them do ackee.
Yeah.
When them do ackee, man, it's a thing, man. You know.
it's a Jamaican thing.
Yeah.
But here, ackee, when me get this morning, me no know if I water she use cook it up, but me not taste no oil in there.
But to be clear with what you say, you know, if it wash off, we look at hot water, it eat better, though.
Yes. Some people even take it out of the tin and put it in the pot with the hot water to make it look, it just come in like say a boil, you fresh the ackee. Put it in a little hot water.
Yeah, man. Always taste better when it wash down with look a hot water.
You can take out, I shall write it down, So, you should write down. I said to her, I say, you know what? If you can't remember, just go up on YouTube and pick up ackee and saltfish because this is not ackee and saltfish. She said, then you don't want it. I said, no, give me the bake. And I pay $3 something for the bake and come out. I not going to have that.
But tell them, enough Jamaican don't know what the bake is. I got it in arm when I went to Grenada, but tell them what the bake is.
It's dumb. We they call our fried dumpling baked, Guyanese call anything fried flour baked. So that bake now is we make it in a Jamaica, man.
It more bready than our fried dumpling. It more more bready, doughy, more doughy and bready than
this one bigger. It's bigger.
Yeah, big and round, yeah.
Big and round and soft.
I had it for the first time when I went to Grenada and it was pretty good.
It's good. Yeah. And what they do now, they open it and pick up the saltfish, cook up the saltfish and put it inside and close it back. That's how the real Guyanese restaurant do it. Very nice.
Okay.
But this one now want cook ackee and saltfish. Me say, what is this?
That's how it goes. But sometimes
anyway, me tell her how to cook it.
You tell her how to cook it,
try.
Yeah, man. So and it sounds like you were understanding and patient with her.
Yeah.
And that is good. But thank you for sharing that here.
Yeah, man. Me sleep, I doze off and me here with the ackee and saltfish. Somehow it come like in my room.
That's right. No, but I've been known to do that, to just pop up as a presence in people's rooms, So.
Oh my! Anytime me asleep and I watch TikTok, like I feel so weird. I did phone on.
Yeah. That sound like me. You asleep, I'm gonna pop up in a room and just,
I thought you stay. You're not gonna pop up in your son.
Whoa!
Raga, I am known to plead the blood of Jesus and anything that pops up that is not invited.
You're lucky. I Miss Cherry Boy. I have the anointing. I have the anointing. Me have the anointing. Okay.
So when you hear the blood of Jesus, you come little closer.
Yeah, because God going to say, you go hear God's voice, accept my child.
You're not easy at all.
All right, blessings.
Have a good night,
yeah, man. Take care, Putos. Cool.
All right.
Big up Pauline there, Shauna, you can't behave. Shauna, official, you can't behave. Jesus God. What am I going to do, Boy, I'm unruly, man. I broke me out over here, Yeah. I broke up Miss Cherry Boy. Right? I broke up Miss Cherry Boy. See? It's Bailey's Rommel. Greetings.
Yo, right.
Yo.
Greetings, my lion.
See.
Yeah, man. Yo, watch out. From Jamaica, see what me really up here called Nevis. I'm just outside in a little cave here. I'm switch on. I'm see the lion. I go and talk. I listen to them people that talk about all kind of cooking and thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So no, what me I say is that over Nevis, like you say, you come Grenada, they made us cross over from St. Kitts Nevis and.
Oh, you're not Nevis the country. You're not Nevis the country. Okay, yeah. All right. See?
Yeah, man, I in Nevis, me there. When me there for a couple of years, me there about 32 years and things, so.
With that, 32 years now, you're there, Nevis.
Yeah, man.
Watch your accent lock and seal, see me in a dog.
My brethren every day them ask me say, boy, you can't talk like Kirby, boy. Look how long in there you can't talk like Kirby. Me say, yo, you ever see a zebra losing stripe yet?
See, no man, but for 32 years, I didn't hear no look of sound, no look of sound. We have a couple, you know, who listen we every evening, you know, and them go over there for a week. And then she talk to if about after about 2-3 days there and that she catch all her word already and she said something like, you know, like forgot what she said, but you pick up a little thing where she pick up over there, you know. And you did it 32 years.
Yeah, man, when she talk sometimes you can hear them say, yeah, man, them say, yeah, boy, your daddy, boy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Them daddy, boy, and yeah, boy, because all when me just come and me hear them say, them got the kind of thing like say, are you? Like, big go. So me stand up and me say, well, who them a call are you? But it's just like I said, yo, the whole nobody so no come go down, so.
Oh, so them
I mean, say this, are you? I'm stand up, I mean, I tell you, yo. Are you? Them say, and Abi. So Abi, so no, like we say we are come. They say, we are come.
No, the RU is an abbreviation from all you. Yeah, it's all you. They must say, you know. All you Jamaicans over there, all you Jamaicans over there. Yeah, are you? Well, at that time, patois for them.
All you Jamaicans.
Are you?
Yeah, and they must say like, le Abi go. And them kind of thing.
Yeah, man,
so.
we have one over here.
Me say, you know, me do them over there and Johnny. Yeah, boy, but what me listen to is that boy, the Kittish and them have a different kind of thing about it too, eh?
What? Yeah.
Individual them got a kind of thing to it, and the individual them got a thing to it, and the Guyanese them there, so them they are enough to boy.
What you mean about the Ackee?
Yeah, well, trust me, me say them a cook Ackee and all kind of thing, cause yo, as I say, one thing to me realize that everywhere you go now, them a say them a cook jerk pork and Ackee and saltfish. And me have to ask them, yo, what sound I do? When I make the thing look bad.
Well, but you can't really knock them for that. There is no way. There's no way them can cook jerk pork the way we. Them don't have the wood. Them not have the wood or the facility or whatever for and the low fire.
But that are the thing. And that are the thing, and them feel like them got it. They have it covered because watch out. Me left Jamaica, as I say, from down at 93. I come here. Me used to do work a restaurant on a piece of beach. And me used to do like when them have a like Jamaican night there and thing and. Tell the truth, but me just come in and say, boy, me never used to get the money, but me say, watch your ear, one. Me can't make me name because me used to work in a Chinese restaurant down Orange Street.
Mm-hmm.
And me do that, me don't it for about 6 years. So me come here and me say, well, boy, me know them now gonna give me the money who me I look for, but you know, me I gotta do me thing still.
Yeah.
Do me thing and me do me thing and still and hang on in there and go and do me thing and then me don't call them and say, yo, can't do this no more, man. Me I go learn something else. Me go they say, boy, me go learn some construction as a youth. Me go back now and me say, well, yo, me go open my little thing and do some jerk pork and jerk chicken and me I tell you, me got a little man come and say, boy, I tell me, boy, is a Dominican say, boy, me I do some simas and some jerk chicken and jerk pork. So he come by me one night and me say, yo, me have some jerk pork and some festival out there, so. And he come and say, boy, me I sell simas to you know, so but me can't buy your simas. Me say, man, know yourself and here what you do. Taste me simas and call all your friends when you have up there, so. Irish mash. Irish them call it simas. I mean, say simas just like them. So me say, here what you do? Take a piece of pork and taste me Irish mash. And anyhow what you sell taste good like what me I sell you so. Or taste better than what me I sell you. So you call everybody up there so and make them come and eat and you don't have to pay me for nothing. When the man done, the man hold long he head me general. Can me tell him me confident enough, me can tell you that you can just go up for the top so and call everybody.
All right, so that means say you go and good over there. So what kind of business you have over there now?
No, but really and truly, me kind of, cause me the man after I think me kind of love it. Cause in a bank me I work right now. Me in a bank I work now for 19 years.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, man, I work in a bank there for 19 years and thing. But me, as I said, me used to do that. Me do that for about 9 years between them.
Right.
You understand? But as me I say, you know, really and truly we talk about with Jamaican boy. Jamaican, no matter where you go, boy, in cooking and everything, them just stand up, boy. Cause sometimes we look and see them and cook some things and I have to ask them where they
No,
really
but
are do.
real quickly
Yeah, make
before
the
you
thing.
go though, when you're over there and you are jerking pork and chicken, they don't have the wood where we use in Jamaica for jerk. To jerk the
No,
wood. Right.
no, no, but you see, yeah, but the thing
No,
about
hold
it, they
on,
don't
hold
have it,
on,
none
hold
of
on,
that.
hold on. So it follows then that
Yeah, me hold on.
you too are not jerking it the way we do it in Jamaica.
No, that's the thing about it. Cause when we used to go to Jamaica after them, listen me no general. Me go to Jamaica after me used to get me thing and me trust me used to strap it. Me I tell you, me never used to get the whole bunch, but me used to walk with strips of wood and put pan the fire and get the flavor in it.
Okay. Okay, me see what you say.
Yeah man, me no got the big. Me
No,
can't.
but
Yeah, so me couldn't do the big thing. But once when
But
me go
what
make
I'm
sure.
saying, hold on, give it that the
Uh-huh.
wood. I don't even think it's grown up here in North America. It probably grew up Florida, because Florida grew enough of them someday. But the wood the way we do it pan, we get a particular flavor, which is where it started from when our ancestors, slaves, did run away. And them them catch a pig them and a jerk. Hold on. When them get the pig them and a jerk them, but them never want the people them to see the smoke and them start use the wood. And then by extension them realize that the wood flavor the meat in a particular way. And that is where the unique jerk pork, jerk chicken come from in Jamaica and thing. So what me I say is the fact that them not have that up here, we have to understand why for them it's just rubbing up a chicken in a jerk sauce and that is jerk pork for them. Rubbing up a jerk chicken or the meat.
A pepper them put on it and once it full of pepper them say a jerk pork. A jerk chicken.
Well on. You sure?
Yeah, man, most of them, I tell you, most of them when I saw once
Well on,
you
them
have
don't
pepper,
use a jerk sauce. Them don't use a jerk sauce.
them use it, but that is not the main part where we call it jerk pork. You know, the main thing we then call it jerk pork, you know, is once it hot a pepper.
Oh.
That is like the flag. That is like the
never
flag.
know that. I think them just use a jerk sauce and then them say jerk pork.
Them use it jerk sauce, but they made them flagging it. When them use it, they say, well, okay, the national thing about it is that is pepper. Them use a little bit of jerk sauce, yes, but no, once it hot with pepper, them say, boy, yes, a jerk pork. I tell them say no.
Oh, I never really know that.
Yeah, man.
They just use the jerk sauce.
No, man. If you look into it again and once and tell you, once it hot, they must say, yo, a jerk pork, me I do a jerk chicken. You know what about this jerk season? Because they don't get the jerk season. The only jerk season they get are the one way in the battle, the mix up, blend up sauce in the battle. That are the only thing we then get this about everything else.
Hold on. And to all my viewers, 500 and on a day. To all my viewers who are not familiar with what we're talking about, the real way pork and chicken jerk in Jamaica, you have a pimento wood, and it is lined up, and it has to be under low fire. The fire under the wood, you know, and usually the fire is not the fire in the eye. It's
a steam thing.
Yeah, the heat. It's more about the heat.
It's more like it's a steam.
Yeah. You say steam, yeah, the heat. And what it does, I mean, them season up a meat, you know. But the pimento wood, it seeps when the heat take it send up a particular flavor up in the pork with the fire. We just get a unique taste. And for Jamaicans, we're used to that because it has a particular taste, particularly with the smoke and the pimento and thing. You see, some of the thing we want to call, sometimes when I have some meat, when I say smoke this and smoke that, that's a part of the jerk experience for we with pimento wood.
But that's why I say that's why I say it's steam. It's steam. It's not so much the smoke thing because you got the smoke. You got meat where them smoke. Them tell about smoked pork and smoked ribs and smoked chicken, but there's a difference between the Jamaican jerk thing is that is steam. With the wood, wood give. So it's not so much of this smoke thing about it. It's the steam or the wood give you the flavor after it's steamed.
Yeah, man. I remember man I tell me, I forgot when we did stop. Somewhere on actually I don't even like no. It was somewhere around the Clarendon side. They have somebody out there, some forgot where near to Juicy Beef, but not at Juicy Beef, somewhere on that side. the big juicy beef headquarters. And him did explain to me, said, no, brother, he said, some of them have the fire blaze and I put the fire enough for blaze.
No.
Him say, if you have enough coal, him say, if you have enough, wait name there, you know, where you call that now? And things. So him say it have a hot, you know, but it must be flame. He was very clear on that.
You know, if you have no flame at all in it.
He must say no flame, no for dead. And thing, and you have to keep it up so the flame not come up, but the heat that dead from the fire and that and thing. Pan the name there and him say that get that particular flavor there. So there's an art to it, you know.
You know, Raga, you know, after a while, me go back to Jamaica and visit, and most of them chicken with them and most of them grilled thing with them got there. So I mostly be fire upon them chicken. Cause you remember back in days when you're young, so as you go look a piece of jerk chicken and I tell you it just juicy. They not got that juicy chicken. There's so much to Jamaica. That culture they kind of.
No, but Jamaicans no confuse that though. We know pan chicken different from jerk chicken.
Well, that's how I say some people make it look and then just do it and say, well, yeah, it's a pan chicken thing and I give that jerk where it just juice. Some of them you go and it dry out.
Yeah.
Some of them.
Anyway, respect and big up yourself over there in a Nevis, you know. And since you're there now, so is a Nevis wife you have then, though?
Yeah, man. I'm married for 32 years.
Now 32 years you did it?
Well, I saw 31.
Oh, 31.
Yeah, been married for 31 years.
Congratulations, man. A long marriage, that man. Steady thing. And bigger up for me here.
Yeah, man. Most of me youth them.
Where you laugh for?
All right, me general.
No, man, give her a year for me.
Bless me general, man. Me always try link in for you, man.
Tell us how a madman from Jamaica big her up here. All right. See?
All right, me general. Not say nothing.
All right, man. Blessings and respect here. Manners. Cool.
Respect, my lad.
Yeah, man. Cool.
Yeah.
Saint Kitts and Nevis and him there Nevis, you know. My wife and thing. 31 years I'm married, him there 32 years, you know. Say dog seal up that quick when him drop there, you understand? And there they make life and things, see? Have to give thanks, don't? Have to give thanks. Alright. Going down the line with the people in here and things. Yeah. And big up all of the people who can jerk chicken and pork good here. The pretty one queen that I know you. Cuff mommy hang up quickie when she see she come up. She don't want to talk. She mute her thing and whatever. You don't even know if you take down yourself, don't. Cuff mommy, you don't know if you take down yourself. You mute your thing, but you don't know if you take down yourself. Cuff mommy, you know, I wait for see you take down yourself. Take down yourself. Take down yourself. Take down yourself. So if me not take it down, you not take. Okay, she take down. Oh, yeah, you know, so she never mean to come up here, you know. Ay, God, no, she never mean to come up a while ago, you know. You me want jerk some for me. I wear pretty one queen, right? I say, right, this, I think she next to, you know. I think she same one, see, yeah. Who you want jerk something for you? Pretty one queen.
Ben Finger Raga.
Well, you say, the man I said Nevis, you want jerk something for you, though?
No, yes, me can't jerk. That's enough for me. So I say, you more want to jerk something for me.
No, but if me jerk it for you, you never can manage it.
Why? You don't know what you know me.
No, man, I tell you, say you can't manage my jerkings, man.
Why? What you know about me?
Say you can't manage my jerkins. You're full of big chat and you get my jerkin. I slip a disc in your back and make Tony in a paraplegic. Don't play with me.
You said that this now my back slip already, so maybe you have set it. Maybe I set it.
Hey, I'm full of big chat, though.
Yeah,
I'm full of big
chat.
Yeah,
Full of one.
Raga one pop, though. One good pop. That's all you need. Yeah, you see it. What?
Raga,
Talk to me.
everybody I wait for a little saga story, you know.
You go on a date?
Hey.
Hey.
You see me out there.
Hey. Hey.
You know, to
Update.
get all the language.
Date update.
Mr. Raga, with the tell you, you know, me know people do swiping, no Raga.
What you mean?
Me tell you, you know.
What's
Me
up?
tell you, if I see the man, me know so the man a big swiper.
How it go?
Pick out the laundry, me pick out a something, but me end up rare. A red.
Red. No, you
Yes,
have to
me
tell
know
me like
red,
what kind of laundry? Just brown panties or like something else?
bra panty, but Victoria with the like a
You have the
G-string,
look of
yeah?
sheer look of top. You never have the look of sheer look of top and thing, no?
It's lace.
No,
No,
but
I didn't do because mind you, I wear it under my clothes.
okay, so it was just brown panty lace, red, right? Any frills on the edges or anything, any little lining color, is just straight red.
It was just
Straight red?
lace with bling on the side of the panty.
Bling on the
Mark
side.
it
What
too.
kind of bling?
Bling, those
Glitter,
Victoria
glitter,
stickers.
okay.
Glitter, yes.
Right?
That says
Crotchless
Victoria
or covered?
covered. I
Covered.
didn't want to go. But I was asked, I didn't want to go too much.
Yeah, you know what? You're too
I
excited
didn't want
and
to
thing.
do
First
too much.
time, like you're frightened Friday and thing.
Yeah, so I just wear just the bra and the panty.
Okay. And it was really nice, right? It's a low cut bra or like fully covered, like
It's like it wasn't. It's like a low cut cleavage, you know, showing cleavage and
nice.
bone with bone and stuff. And the bra strap has the bling Victoria's Secret on it.
Oh, okay. Okay, sounds good. Okay. And then what happened now?
Yeah. So anyway, we decide to sit by the waterfront for a minute. We bought drinks.
Go you.
We bought drinks and we bought food and we sit there and we ate and we chit chat and you know, and then after that we have to
Hold
drink
on.
a
Was the
little bit
chit
of
chat,
liquor.
was there flirting in the chit chat that you know was building up to something later? The chit chat, was the chit chat nice? Like,
Yes, because it was nice in such a way that when I look down I see Mr. Man thing turn sideways gone the other way.
okay.
Yeah. And I
Do
was
women
like,
do that? Do women do that a lot? Like if them a flirt, them check out the man package and thing. Women do that?
of course, that's one of the reasons because you want to see what you're up against.
Oh, okay. So wanna check that often, like for just kind of say like no.
Yeah, you want to know what you're up against.
Neatly without making him know, yeah, not check and
Yeah,
see.
so
Like,
you look down and you don't have to know if it look long, if it look short, if it turns
you
sideways.
see it? Verbal
You see what them
expressions, Cara, they must say yes, pin-up girl say, heck yeah. Right? Smokey Bear say, yeah, kiss, yeah, okay, all right then, cool. Yeah, go on.
Anyway, we drove to a nice place in Queens. I won't call the name.
Yeah.
And when we get there, and I was still drinking because I want to have that little
Buzz.
And went there, we was watching TV a little bit, and I guess my man can't wait.
When you mean there, you mean when you reach in place, you're there in place now, right?
We rented
a hotel?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, we rented a hotel and we went there. And
But under that range, you go to hotel. I'm sorry, I interject. I do this. But under that range, so say that I go hotel. Him never just go hotel. Okay, all right, then cool.
Yeah, so after I get there, I got see when me finally took off my clothes, oh God, like my man head swelling. My man can catch a fire, cause like when you see all the red panty and the thing, them like my man head starts swell. My man say, "Whoo!" I mean, I don't know if you know the African them excited and they pan, "Whoo!" Yeah, go along with them antics and something.
Hold on. Sorry. Who take off clothes first?
Huh?
Who take off clothes first?
Him.
Him take off clothes first?
Yeah.
All
Take
right.
off like him shirt
And
first.
take off him
and
shirt.
hang it up.
Did he proceed to take something off you, like a kiss you and then I take off something
Yes,
off?
he come and sit beside me and
Oh,
well, kissing up on my neck and all of that.
right. And then
And kind of like dropping the dress strap on the shoulder, you know, at the
right.
shoulder.
So
kissing
him
my
start take off something off of you
Yes.
first. That is important, you know. One
Yes.
time, yeah.
Start kissing up my hand, my neck, kissing me, my back and all kind of stuff.
Is he a good kisser? Him know if he kiss body good?
Yes, man, I'm good panic kissing.
Was it just like simple
Rather, I
kissing
never
or
know
like
since-
nibble kissing? Was it nibble kissing or just straight kissing?
Nibble, both nibble, and he was mixing it. You know, it was
Mixing.
just,
Okay.
yeah. I never noticed behind the knee, right behind the you think there was a thing.
You never know that there's an erogenous zone behind the knee.
No, me know about the toe and all of them stuff, but I never know so behind there so was a thing.
Yeah, man. Behind the knee is it's a sensitive zone. But you have to be careful because some people not clean around there good and dirt clog up around
No,
there.
me
But you have to be
clean,
careful.
me ever clean.
You ever clean. So behind the knee. No man, it's a nice little spot for you. You see, when you hold up a woman leg now and you go so boom and you kiss her behind the knee there and she just do that little something there, you know you have her. You know what I mean?
You see when the man start around there, so like me say, man, cause me used to me toe them getting suck, you know. I love my toes suck, but I never know so one is a thing.
Hold on. You told them still good?
I got me make sure my all, me not got good toenail, me make sure so my all is clean and me got my pedicure regular and me clean and me do my toes them all the time. Okay?
Even
My
your
toe
big
is
toe,
clean.
you like when your big toe suck or the other two of them only.
Yes, you have to do the whole toes them. What do you? I like my toes. It's a thing for me.
Okay.
So that's why I make sure I keep my toes them clean.
Okay.
And for some reason, I never have to ask for them. I never ask for certain things, Rag. I never asked.
You get your toes sucked regularly and you never have to ask?
I never have asked for some reason.
So with there men out there who just automatically suck toes?
Yeah, because when they're romancing me, Rag, they start from toes go up.
So it's something where you just bring out a man just see your toe and just want to suck them off, don't
Thing, I don't know.
you? Yeah, okay. You got compelling toes, man.
And them not really so cute, you know. I don't know what, but for some reason.
Your two of them not so cute, but man always a suck off. You're not so cute, two of them.
Yeah. For some reason. I don't know, maybe because I can't little feet. My feet are not gigantic. I wear like size 6.5 size and my foot, yeah.
So when them start suck your two of them, naturally, I have read it, them usually start kiss up your legs and go up to your inner thighs and them something. Did that happen?
You said the man said I my inner thigh rag and the man just with me. And when me I say okay then, so him I go start eat no. The man divert from there saying I left me with all the ear them and my head turn up, you know. The man divert from this and start.
No, he's good. Him
up,
know what him do.
And start
so like him a go up and you think say him a go this and him just divert and come up and
yeah,
gone
him
up.
start kiss up in the
Him know where
thigh.
Him know where man.
Start kiss up in the thigh and start like using tongue and lick between me between me grind and something and then he just divert.
And go where?
From the side of my leg from my hip and then he go back down to and then behind the knee part there so.
Him know where man do. Him know where man.
Come back, me say the man take a whole half an hour just foreplay and just doing all of that.
That too long though, but go on.
You know, like him come up to the neck. Maybe not so long, but it felt like that to me.
Oh, okay.
At this point, me just want to listen now. Just do what you need to do.
Right.
Because that's how much him start arose me and start do all these things. And then rather, man come back to the mega section.
Right. Down there, so.
Then him just start doing him what you call that?
Use code, yeah.
Him start to we have the main meal and the dessert.
Yeah.
Well, the man just go straight to the dessert.
To the dessert.
Yes, just start going with himself. Going with himself, you know.
Hold on. You say you have the main meal, the entree, and then the dessert. So you say I'm go to the dessert.
I will that I would say because him just start the eating, yeah.
I think the analogy that you want to say, if you have your appetizer and then the
Right,
entree.
the appetizer, yeah.
So basically him go to the appetizer, right?
Yes.
Okay, I think that is what you meant.
And the man start going with himself. I start climb, must feel like I start climb all the headboard.
Well, hold on. Him did start like I have read that there's a way to start without removing the undies, like through
Yes,
the.
because
So him do that look of something there. Yeah.
Him said the way the thing just sit right for me, him no want take it off.
Yeah.
So
Set
him
right.
just move it to it, you know? Him just move it aside
Okay.
and start.
Karen Wildman, there's somebody in that chat, Karen Wildman, she get them styling, she know them styling, because one baby father,
I just want my
So
friend.
you say look like you're something pretty. It's pretty, though.
Eh?
It's pretty, you're something pretty.
To the compliments I get, yeah.
Right. No, that's what I mean. Is like Karen Wildman, she's in that word is fear one pretty. So when it's pretty, apparently the man them love to spend extra time there when it's pretty. So it look like that did I go out with you. Okay, look like you have a pretty one.
Right. I just the quarter buff attract them, you know.
The quarter buff?
Yeah.
Why it sound like you're one flat and you try about quarter
no,
buff? If
man.
flat? Huh?
No.
Nothing wrong if it's flat that you get, but if flat?
Enough. You know flat.
Yeah, flat. But in a meaty like alien one though. Or you keep on a touch your mute button. Yeah, you keep on a touch him.
You can't tell me if it's flat.
What?
I send you one picture and you think that you tell me if it's flat.
Make it cover.
No, I'm dressed.
Right. Make it cover. Me no need to
I'm dressed. No, I'm not sending you anything to.
I don't really need to see anything, I really don't need to see anything. That was my young days, but if you send something with covered and thing or whatever.
No, man, I'm decent.
And tall, nobody now see it. But for the record, anything sent to me, nobody else see it. Right. Killer Miller, why una man love to do them something there? So that's why some man overdo things, because people like Uno say them something there. But why you have to say you're afraid? Why it can't be like a grown man and say, no, I'm beyond that, I don't need to see them something there. Killer Miller, why you have to come now with the high school thing? You're afraid. When you say them thing that to certain other man, not like me, who no care, and think, you make them feel, say no, that's why you find the man them call over here. And them get the boringest mix up them, because them always a call and I tell you how them good and how this and that and whatever. Because of things like this where you do Killer Miller, boy, you're afraid. So you make the man them end up overdo things now. And I tell lie and things, right? You understand? Killer Miller, make me school, grown men like myself, whatever. We don't need to see those things and whatever, right? Been there, done that, whatever. You understand? Yes, I know what I say, right? So it don't have to be nothing about you're afraid, right? Yeah, we don't need, if we're there with a woman and thing, we would tell a woman, we say, yo, put on a nice little one and send over to me, and thing. That's a different thing, because I love them fucker there. Right? But in general, me and somebody I read upon the show and whatever now, and something like that come on. I say, no, you not really send them thing there to me. You're afraid. Eh? You Mr. Killer Miller. Okay, Mr. Sar.
But that is why some man don't understand, because they don't feel like sending for just pan ready for just rush the thing. No. We man know the thing already, don't need to rush to it.
No, but think about it now. Nowadays, yeah, man, as soon as I talk to a woman, send me a picture now. What happen now when they all show interest in a woman and I say, no, I find her very attractive, There's some things about you. And she go test you and go say, I can't send you a picture or whatever. And if the man go say no, you don't have to send me a picture or whatever, you know. If I'm going to see it, I'll wait. When I'll see it, and it would be a pleasant surprise to me. The woman, they're going to look on you different now, you know.
Exactly.
The woman going to say, nah, man, I feel thing different, man. Him not coming to look foolish, this your man, run, come. The biggest turn off for woman nowadays, them a chat to a man and him want to say, pum picture, quick. Right? You want a woman just turn off and nobody chat to you again, I one of them something. You understand?
Right? Me, I talked to one guy and we not even reach nowhere in a whatever. And the man, I go send me one naked picture. You know, so I block him.
Yeah, because, you know, like, seriously.
I block him.
Yeah, and a man who don't have no game do them something, in my opinion.
As why would you have send me that so far, so quick?
Well, on, before you go. Men, listen me. You see, when a woman and a man start talk, you see, within 10 minutes of the conversation or within 3 days of conversation, that woman know if she go sleep with a man there eventually. She already know. If somewhere down the line she go sleep with it. She may not say it to you, but somewhere down the line she know already. Men, you can do the same thing too, you know. There is a way y'all juggle with a talk to a woman, you know. You can't know if you're not going to do something later. You can't know. You can sometimes you're not sure next time you say, boy, this not going to work, you know. Even when she's nice to me, I know. So you can't know. And when you know, you also know say you know for do nothing stupid for make you change your mind. Just patient and play it out and enjoy the flirting and the ride.
Right? When you have time, you could check your DM.
Eh?
When you have time, you could check your DM, your thing.
Oh, you sent it already, though? Okay.
Yeah, so Raga, you know what I say, after we start going over ourselves, I tell you, say the man, when I turn Raga, I see man turn sideways, like, I think say the man a King Kong. Oh, the man a go on with himself, like him a try to prove himself. And I say, all me can in my head now is rather I say, bring it home for the team.
Well, I did tell it. Okay, people, she in a full sweat, but tight, you know. So you see, this is not. So you're in a full sweat and thing. I could see where I go on there, Sophia. Let me see where. No, man, yeah, look away at them, man. Yeah, look away at them, man. Yeah, look away at them, man. Yeah. Yeah, look away at there, yeah, look away at there. Like if you squat on a PP, you have to really tense up your muscle for come up because the weight there, you know. Yeah, look a weight there, you know. But me see what you mean by it's a quarter buff because you know woman know have some. Yeah. No, but yeah, look a weight there. This is not flat. This is look a weight there. You're going with it, look at something. They go and talk and And people, it's not lingerie or panties in a nice, thin, gray sweat, full sweat and thing, you know, but tight, you know. Go and talk.
Yeah, Raga. So me I tell you, say me have to hold out when I time and say I wouldn't. When time me I say me want to throw in the towel, me say me not throw in the towel, you know, because I'm bringing it home for the team.
Well, big question. You did hold him head at any point?
Yes, Raga.
Okay. You wind up in him face?
Raga, I do all that because the man going up and down, you know.
Oh, okay.
So when him go on with pad, the man go back down, you know.
Yeah. But when I say you never press him down one time and make him have to breathe through him ears.
Raga, me know if you have breathe. You know, if you have breathe, you know, but you know, so when I say I tell you to the man. Comfortable down, and I have to just hold it.
Hold on, wind up in him face, don't. When you say your two leg them, what?
Lift up the two leg them and lap him.
See, and lap it head down.
Yeah,
and hold him down and thing and tell me say you wind up in him face them time.
Wine.
Slow wine do a press that press wine then. Not the quick something, but that press it up and
one time you see press it up. You know, and give me that chance.
One time you did press it because you have a press. Yeah, man, look press it up in him face and rub it up in him face, don't.
Yes,
oh good, yeah, represent for team, give her a clap, shall represent for the team, shall represent. Yeah, go on, good.
When
I
you-
represent for TamFam. Go
When
on,
you
talk.
stick
Go
out,
on.
when you stick out the tongue and ask, you say, me have to, at then time, I'm hold long there and lock in, you know, and
Yes,
just
man.
hold their wine.
Yeah. Shana official saying belly must did food. Yo, I be a bad picking over here, you know.
So when I tell, I'm going to
Well, I stop right there. So all I want to watch right now, if you don't follow me yet, follow me now, right? Everyone I want to over here TikTok, if you don't follow me yet, follow me now. All I want to follow me yet and you watch and listen right now. Follow me now if you're not follow me yet. Follow me now if you're not follow me yet. The whole I want to. Who not follow me yet, follow me now. All right, go and talk, pretty one.
Spiritual blessed. Say, she look like she just interested for want to know how the tele feel. She want
No,
know
you
what-
not read this yet. No, man, nobody to tell your story. Make spiritual best way. Sit down and can quiet your ass and wait. Story I tell right now. Yeah, go on. Ta.
That time, Raga, him cast up in here and look up on me, Raga.
That
And you
never
know,
turn
like,
you on. That never turn you on.
it's when he look up on me, Raga, me just hold the two tatters them up there saying, and me just start run my hand and my neck back and me just tilt back saying, Raga, and start bite and lick them and I look for
Well, you
the
just roll them and thing and you just tilt back and wind up in them face and
and
bite.
then just start bite and lick them with a Raga.
Yeah. No, but hold on. It not turn you on when it turn you on when them a look up. It never turn you
Yes,
on.
I'm just look down funny man and then you know I start moan Raga and start going with myself.
Sure.
And at them time they call I say him reach out another climate zone.
Yeah, because you have an impact on him and you enjoy it. So he might enjoy it, you know, you just wind up in his face and I give him the juju facial, you know, wet up in face and clean out him pores, them and all these things, don't Yes, I.
Yes, man. You start going myself, man. And that time is the one called, you know. And in time, nibble on the two tatters, them, you know. Start one.
So him come up now.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Start nibble on him, you know. And in just start between the navel and between the middle of the tatters, them, you know. And then on the side and then start kiss up back the leg and the crying.
But well, I know before you say him come up, but me know why you vex. But code now. When him did down there with the face door, and then come my living room door. Him did do anything like work around the door edge first.
Yeah.
Him do that something they don't.
Yeah.
So him know about that something they for work around the door edge first before him go in our living room though.
Yeah.
Okay.
The man know himself.
Know him wise skill. Okay, so I'm up now and bap him. Him I say hello to Lulu and Lala and thing and whatever, and then what happened after that?
Then him just me see my man just start put, you know, go and do him start putting him thing and go on with himself.
So him gone in our living room now with the
step
in our living room now, yeah.
Living room feel warm and nice. Me see my man take a sigh and roll in eye them 2 times.
What? So what the living room have that effect, ne?
Effect. Oh. My man roll in eye and comes on. Oh, yes. We know the things that go on.
Voila. So the living room that good, like, yeah, cause some living room still saying that when you go in there as a man, you know, you're like, boom, your living room good, once a man go in the good, as we in a Jamaica, so in the comfortable, don't.
Me tell you, say, I don't know about the small tiny, cause I don't have a kitchen, I don't care a tiny thing.
Yeah.
But I have a comfortable living room.
Comfortable, yeah.
Comfortable. When you come there, you fall asleep, you rest. You don't want to comfortable.
Because you have different living room, you know. You have some living room, you go in there, you're not comfortable. You know, when you're going to some people house, you just feel miserable. It's like the house not blessed on them, something there. Right. And you have another living room when you go in there, your voice not echo. You have some living room, you go in there, be echo your voice going, you know, the furniture not in our living room and whatever, and you know,
I want a nice coach and
nice couch and thing, you know.
place clean and
place clean.
refreshing and
See, then smell good down and all them something they
before I
do.
going up, I have them little things there with me, you know, I have like strawberry flavor.
Oh.
Them something there.
Well,
So, you
on,
know,
well, on, can I have your permission to cuss a bad word, please? Can I?
Yeah.
Chobam buckler.
Yeah, man, I have a little strawberry lubricate them with flavor, you know.
Flavor it up and thing, me boy, get him look a fruity taste and all them something they do.
And then him that eat some ice, so my man cramp him tongue with it and cool down there.
What all I see that go on a be a things in a go on, man. Or whatever, you know.
Cool down there, you know.
Yeah.
The man go out and say, but me I tell you, say, man, a Ph.D, you know, man, I carry up small and Ph.D.
Oh, heavy. Bro, packing though.
Yes, man.
Big automatic rifle and thing, and I look at one like a pian sitting a big gun down.
Get me for muscle up, man, and things.
What was the first position? You just dip on your back, that's it?
I did it on my back first.
Okay, first.
But me have to say, can't make man feel like say, me a soft talk, you know.
Yeah, because you represent for TamFam too, you know. So.
When I time me flip over, man, Raga.
Right.
Go up on the knee. But when you know the song say ass up, head down.
That is my first question. When you flip and go so boom backwards time. Your back did straight or it did sinking?
No man, me have to arch your back, man.
Okay, all right.
Remember say the bumper big, you know, so I have to shake up the bumper.
Right. You can't do like Shade. Shade have that straight back something them. That is just so 1960s and things.
You have to arch your back, but when the pressure reach me, I have to fold the pillar, drop you underneath the stomach, and then me just hang over the head over the pillar side there, so.
We explain that again. What?
When the pressure reach me, just fold the pillar and put it under the stomach, you know?
Okay, so did I find that spot there, though?
And then you hang over the head over the pillar like, so you know, so you arch up more, you know.
Oh, yeah, one of them one time, you know, whatever this and that, you're not back, you're guinea thing, though. Yeah.
Nah, back.
Yeah, back and
pressure reach me, and that time, I just brace it down for him and just start whine.
Very important. You know, it's enough woman can't whine in a back.
No, man, me have to whine, man.
No, man, have enough woman them give back, you know, and when them arch, you know, and I just saw them say, which is good, because there's a certain point where there's something there, you know, particularly when you get story come to bomb, that this is just bad enough if she knows she are doing.
There's a trick to it.
Yeah, but you see, that's something, if you can do this in our backers, man.
I tell her, say, it's a trick to it, you know. So you see, when you see him all that jam and stuff, you just go up on him and brace it up on him, like, right? And then time you just get your look a chance to whine and jig up all the ass look a bit in the time for prove show your man say, yeah, me have look of something too.
Yeah, you have skill too and whatever, this and that. You know, just there take a pounding. And do not now whatever, you understand. So
and then me have this, you know, me have this look seduction way. Me just when my brace up and look around on the back, so me just bite up a lip and then me just bite up lip the man then me just.
Oh shit. You did that. You did the bite lip look back.
Look back.
Yeah, the bite lip look back there, that body, you know, man. And when when you do the bite lip look back, your hand did stay so?
No,
what
man.
Your hand them did there?
One of my hand under me.
Oh shit.
I feel my thing at the same time.
One of your hand you do that something there. Well,
yes.
No woman don't know about that something there, you know. So one under you and then you do the bite lip look back, though.
Yes, man.
Yo.
And the groaning at the same time.
Don't be surprised if that man proposed to you soon. Yeah, no man. And them there engagement rings out out them. No, you know them man they will get them style and not used to it and thing like that.
Yeah, man. When after that, you know, so I can just slide down on the bed for him and just like come off of the bed.
Mm.
Me just push him like me just take my body and me, you know, me just take and boss him, push him like so him see say me I push him like me I push him and me just slide up on the bed, go at the bed head, put on one foot and cock up back one foot.
You
And
never say
brace over.
bed head, you say bed edge.
No, the bed edge, yes.
Edge, okay, right. And then you slide on one foot, but
on
then cock
ground.
up one. Oh, we know that's something there. So one knee bend on the bed and one foot dip on the ground, stand up down.
Yeah.
Right, and thing, and then you bend over at an angle
Bend
and thing,
over.
and you must say the whole of the hallelujah and the glory and the way to the paradise and thing and whatever. Are your back still arch? I hope your back still arch.
Yes, man,
Oh,
back still have the arch, man, and still I look around there, you know.
and then, so what I call, you call him then, you know, so him did answer.
Yes, man.
Oh, you mean? Yeah.
He answer, man.
Answer.
And
And
he don't
send it
know,
up
me
down.
just ease up now and push him down on the bed now.
You push him down on the bed.
Yes, and then him crawl up in the middle of the bed.
Because him know what time it is. Him know what
Yes.
happening now. And thing.
Then me go up on him now
Yeah.
and do the cowgirl thing, you know.
Front or back?
Both.
Both, okay. You start
When
front?
me do front first.
You start front?
And then
Very
me reverse.
important. Or you do the reverse.
Me just lift one foot and then just turn on it.
So you never take him out of the living room?
No, I'm not
See,
taking
you're a
out.
good girl, man. You know what you do, man. You see, they look amateur them, you know, when they must switch and thing, you know, then take you out the living room and turn around and then I put you back in the living room.
Man, yeah,
Real gang.
time.
Well, I know. Tell me something. When you did that go around, you did that boom it off same time or you stop and then switch?
Slowly and whine and I go on.
So you boom it off even when you switch and I turn around, don't?
Yes, man.
Yeah, enough of them need to learn them something. The key and the
And
key.
then me just-
But a key a big woman and she never do that style yet, you know.
Then me just bend forward and hold him ankle him.
Jesus.
Hold him ankle. Me start go on my thing next to him.
Well, all right now, people listen now. It's when she said that hold your ankle and she have face down her foot and whatever. That is the time now where man, we like to see, you know, for wine them time there, you know. We love to see that something there.
Yes, man, yes, I do.
Right there, so just not your body, you know, just your hip right there. So
Yes.
when we are see right there, so and thing, drive us crazy. Don't do it too fast. Don't do it. Don't kill up yourself. Just go so boom and thing and make we watch or something there. You hold with ankle and you bend over your head there, so and we up here so and thing like that. You give it that something there and thing. And in that moment there, me and I married you, you know, but at that moment we are thinking about marriage. I think, so you're a keeper.
If you can jiggle one ass at a time. So you know, say me sitting by me, I jiggle one ass at a time.
Oh shit.
So I saw me just a jiggle and I saw me just a lot there.
Well, so you alternate your jiggles and
yes.
Wow.
And then me I lock the living room and I open it like when you close the door and a pepper light me call it.
Stop. What you say that one of them pepper light do?
That drive them wild Ragas.
Yeah. Them no, yeah, people are take notes. Smokey Bear are take notes and things. Mama Cozy are take notes and things. Nessa are take notes and things. What you say? Are your signature move that though?
My signature move that.
Are you seal up move that? Yeah. You know you're gonna get a call back and then say you're good when from that run though.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Right. So when you see when my sister me start lock it and my sister in I turn over come tilt round look a bit in the camera to see the
one and then I turn over so much.
Well, because living room comfortable and sweet.
Okay, all right.
So I look around for him in my man and it make nice. So when I start lock it and I open it for him Raga pepper light.
So the locker won't not a squeeze and release. They do squeeze and release, and release. But when you squeeze and release, you still a boom it off at the same time.
Yes,
okay.
And then now me just leg off of the ankle Raga and just brace back on him like back way, you know, me the back way, you know, me just lie like me I lie down on him. Me still the back way. So you know, so the whole of the front, I just take film and I make him whole the front.
Jeez. Well, you take film and do what?
Film and why I'm dip on it and have him say my feel the whole of the buffer and stuff.
Yeah, and the whole man and say, whole this. Oh, you can't bother with you, you're wicked.
Me tell you something, I bring it to a man.
Bring it to him. You represent for the TamFam because we tell you say you have to represent for me. And you really represent for me and thing. It sound like you're going good. Well, 785. Me say they love it free grease. Well, all I know over here TikTok, who not follow me yet, follow me now. Serious, big and serious. I'm here Mondays to Thursdays from 7 o'clock onward to them time, yeah. All right. All I know over here, now follow me and follow me now. USA Raga, please tell that girl to link me up. No, you have to link her yourself, you know.
You think I should link up?
Yeah, you have to link her yourself. Here, you link her yourself. Yo, all I know over Miss Ever Bless, I can't sleep, Raga, you're too out of order. But at the right way, she angle it though. She had the best 100%. See that Miss Ever Bless, I give her ratings and things. Yo, the whole on over here who not follow me yet, follow me now. The whole on over here yet who not follow me yet, follow me. But it sound like you sort out better than Ivani and Rosalie, them sort of.
You're right.
No, I'm on it I feel no way, but Pretty One sound like Pretty One Queen start to turn up more than a year run. Rosalie, no feel no way. You look like you did have that sort out you that keep. Wait, Rosalie man name again, where the whole heap? Akeem, yeah, that one out Akeem.
No, him that should have keep the father.
Yeah, you that keep a baby father. Rosalie, anyway, did have that shout, yeah.
That mixed up with that.
Rosalie, anyway, did have that shout, yeah, that lucky. You can see some clueless. Somebody I say Jake. Jake, the name
was the baby father, yeah.
Jake was the baby father. And who is Akeem? Who is Akeem?
Akeem are the so-called TikTok husband.
The TikTok husband. So which one of them she there with now?
So-called Akeem.
She there with Akeem now? She's there. So she's there.
But it's a series.
It's a series, okay. Rosalie, you need for you should have get some lesson from Pretty One Queen, Rosalie and thing and Ivan, me see I go through some stress, my little friend and thing. Ivan, but hold it here, be. Me see I keep it 100, but Ivan, it does know say. Just hold it here, be.
But boy, me tell you say.
People they tell, hold on, people they tell Ivan it's a Ragashanti. I tell her say our big brother. Tell her Ragashanti. Ivan, you can call me a father, here?
Yeah.
Ivan, you can call me a TikTok father, here? Because you're really little picnic for me, so. But you're a bigger man, you're one bigger man.
Yeah.
But hold it here, Ivan, because I see you, you keep it 100 and you go through some stress and thing and whatever. You're a human being and you go through your thing. Ivan, big up yourself, right? And Rosalie, you look like you should have get some lesson from Pretty One Queen for locking Jakes or Akeem or whoever.
Raga, me have 2 bad knee, but it's when me ready for my startup, I remember not about the bad knee,
And it's enough people like that, them have look at Ackee, but when them in, that's why I tell you, say mind over matter, And wait 1 second. Oh. All right. Okay. All right. Thanks. Close the door. Okay. KJ, is the door closed?
Oh, I was just closing it.
Okay, don't just pull it up. Close it, all right? All right. No, him there. Him not really start school till Monday, so him this boys up till about 8-year-old or so, 7, 8, is all about their mother.
That's
right? You see, between 8 and about 12, 13, if the father is present, it's all about them father.
Yeah,
and then you see after that,
feel like they're mature.
You
feel like that is.
Yeah, man. And then you see after about somewhere around 13, 14, It's all about them friend. Them no want them mother, want to bother them. It's all about them friend. So he's going through. My boys are going through this daddy phase now, which somebody like me know what go on. So this week I'm like, yo, I want to stay with you overnight until I go to school on Monday. Cause you know them live with them mother, them man thing or whatever. So, but know what go on. So I say, yeah man. So he must stay with him, but he can't hear them something. Yeah.
And exactly.
Yes, I'm gonna make him stay outside and thing, you know. And it's a pin-up girl's a good one, Miss Pretty. See them a big up. So you're just want to say on behalf of the TamFam, you represent for you're not as good as say a Karen Wildman and thing. She's sick. When it come to them something, yeah, fear thing, no man. She's sick. Right? But your thing up there and whatever, cause it better than like a Marcia Buddhas and thing and whatever. it better than Elaine and whatever.
Because Elaine don't know about the shift jazz thing, you know.
Yeah, Elaine don't know about them something, man. And
Elaine don't know, so when you have a look pretty panty them and you
talk
know.
to her, cause she says she don't like when man shift her jazz one side and
man, you come in and you look a laundry, you look pretty panty them. The way them pretty man them know and move, take off it, you know.
Yeah.
And you don't want to take it off neither, because you want to see, you want to keep that little seduction thing there, you know.
What?
Going. So you want to keep it on. So if you have the same way, like a seduction thing, the same
no,
way,
you
know.
Know, say one time I read this thing at you know. And you say if you have an all the right panty, you know, man, we all bite that's something they eat with the panty, you know, the bite with the panty and just kind of where you wet the panty and rub it pan that something there, whatever, you know, make girl lose them friggin' mind, you know. Yeah, man, I read them. I forgot which chapter I read it. Yeah, man, let's full up your mouth with the panty.
But that the man come so.
What?
The man have the thing and just have him and just a major road, like, you know, catch it buff up like, and him just start bite it through the panty and I lick it through the panty. So you know, say that a road make there.
Sure.
You know, go.
Yeah.
Stand up.
You see where Veronique put, you know, Veronique is a Veronique bad, you know. You see Veronique, but Veronique, I say, yeah, through the jaws like a strainer.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, you know, Veronique bad somebody, you know. Yeah.
You know what the thing, man. So when I tell me I lie down on my stomach, Raga, man start kiss me from my neck back.
Sure.
You know, my back.
Yeah.
Go down to my butt. Just go down. And I just, I them not enough woman know say certain type of kissing, you know. I turn you on, you know, make y'all a beg for the rifle, you know.
No, one thing though, you know, me have to say, you know, Jamaicans know that long time, you know, because you know, say, remember me just come from and you know, I keep over figure and I say, yeah, Jamaicans, you know, it's all about a tongue bath. And they were like, what? And I said, tongue bath. And I'm like, yo, I never heard that term before. And I'm like, that's a common thing in Jamaica. Like, you know, you give her a tongue bath, right? Like a long time, something that Jamaicans always appreciate full exploration of the body, you know, even though they don't want to admit it sometime and thing. Anyway, you know?
But Raga, you know, say, that those are one of the ways to know that a man really into you.
Because what you mean?
If a man don't really into a woman and I just something, might just take and go. Him not do all of them something, you know.
Well, that's true, but honesty is so too.
Him not do all of them something. So yes, so when a man take the time out for caress your body.
Yeah.
Like him just check your body like a art.
Yeah. And you just patiently explore every area of your body or your back and thing and whatever. Yeah. You know so that man they fully into you, you know. Yeah.
Yeah. And all of that me was sitting there observing and I said this man was taking my body like a full body art.
Oh wow. So where you think this is going now between you and him?
Raga.
Some it sound
Well,
like
the
something
man,
seal up, man.
like the man already obsessed, because
Yeah.
I just come from Delaware since night, My sister, and I promised her I was gonna come down there.
Okay.
So me go run joke and Steam say, "Oh, I'm down near cause he didn't call me the day, like in the morning. So when he called me in the afternoon, I said to him, say, so you didn't call me, so guess what? I'm here, see if I could find another African. The man take it deep, The
Okay,
man
yeah,
said,
mess
what?
with him head though.
Yeah, I was just playing with him, but the man nah playing run them joke there.
So what? This is the day after, right?
This is like 2 days after.
Wait, stop right there, sir. Stop right.
Mm.
Stop right there, sir. Stop. Him never call it the day after.
No man, he called me day after.
Oh, but you said
He
this
called
go
me the
down
night.
2 days after. Him
Me I
call
talk
it the
about when
night.
me go down. Yes, when me go down after me go down by
Woo, that was
Him
close.
call me, him drop me. Him call me when him reach in.
Maybe okay, good.
Him call me reach in. Him tell
Yeah.
me good night. Him
Yeah.
ask me if I'm okay. Him text me in the morning. Him call me, ask me if I slept well and all of that. And him enjoy him night.
Yeah, but can you have a call when them a call and I ask you if you reach home okay? But the way them ask you, you can't know if the sort out they turn up,
Yeah.
Don't it?
Yep, and him was on the phone and, talk a little bit. I said to him, say, all right, him good night. Because me I fall asleep, because I chat on me. So him said to me, say, all right, baby, talk morning. Then in the morning, he called me back. He asked me if I slept well.
Sure.
Yeah. Yes, man asked me if I eat already.
Yeah, when man get good sort out of them, something then them do. Them call back, yeah, so you sleep good, lah. Yeah, all right. No, I'm just give you a yell, and thing. Yeah, when man get good work on them.
Yeah,
If you not get back a call back, no, Lord Jesus.
You know something all right. Yeah.
If you don't get a call the next day, you feel it no look good. It don't look good.
So, but me talk after me go down Delaware,
Mm-hmm.
So I call him when on the way him call me, we chat and all of that. But me I say about 2 days after I go down there, like the morning, one of the morning, them I never hear from him in the morning. So when he call me about the 1 o'clock, me I run joke with him and say where me and I say I'm on the road with my sister, whatever. So me go say to him, say, call me from morning, so I'm here looking for another African. The man.
No, hold on 1 second. Yeah. For the people who might be new to TamFam, we love when you express yourself. We love when you give a mix up and thing, and we love when you post up in the chat and them something there. But if you can't avoid for call, put anybody deep in the chat, just to protect them, all right? That would be cool, yeah? So again, if you can avoid for put anybody name, we really don't do names over here with stuff like this. But say what you want to say. We love when you say it and talk up what happened and why you this and that and whatever. We love them things there. But just to protect people, if you can avoid for put them name, particularly if you talk about something with them do and if them go on with this something with them, nobody put them name, yeah? All right. Yeah, go on and talk pretty man.
Yeah, so me go run the joke with him and tell him, say, must probably go find another African since he didn't call me. Man said, what are you talking with? The man said, you better not, and this, that, and what. The man, that thing said, my husband,
Well, if I'm a player, I want to do that little player jealousy, they're fine. But you know what him should I do? You know him should I do feel like frig with your head too.
What should I do?
Nah, you go say something like that to me. Like when I say, yeah man, find another African man. Yeah, what if a Jamaican woman don't play and I find a Jamaican woman too.
No, you can't run for me then.
What you mean you can't run for me? Then well, I know. You see the minute you said no, but you can't ramp with me then. I said, then I two are ramp with one another. Then two of
Alright,
them
me
ramp,
come
you
shall
find
like man,
another
you know.
African, me find a Jamaican who can dash it out better than you, don't?
Me function like man, you know, cause you all tell me that now I'll feel all day, me put him on a pause, you know.
Oh yeah, you make it pause run, cause you I go call him back.
Me put him on a pause, the one me not
Pause,
call
no.
him. Yeah, put
Pause,
him on a
no.
pause.
Yeah, pause, no. When next about a serious joke you run in a ragga. Oh, you mean then a serious joke you run with me too? Imagine me and you going with something wicked the night before, and then you gonna tell me that, you know, so I never hear from you this morning and things. So but down here say I look another African, or in this case another Jamaican. And right, tell me, I know so I ramp rough with me, man. And I'm going like, you take me for idiot. Then you know, so I can't ramp back rough with you and thing, yeah. And I mean like him now would I say, you know, so I'm glad you said that to me because, yeah, while me I pre, me did I pre this other Jamaican woman to come. I love Jamaican woman, you know, but me did I wonder which one I want to start up better. So, but you see, now that you said that, me can't know, so I'm going to go check her, you know, here.
You can't ramp
What
with
you mean, you
yourself.
can't ramp with them, you know?
You can't ramp with
No man
yourself.
can ramp with them. That's funny. Yeah. Me love them something, you know. Yeah, try me. Me try you too. Yeah. You see it. God. Anyway, you represent for your family, you know. So we say respect, you know. All right. Go some man, pretty one queen, represent for TamFam and things. Shell out the boss and sitting. We like that. All right.
I say to myself, say, boy, I sure can record it.
You should I can record it, no?
Sure, TamFam say, yeah. I represent very well.
Yeah.
No, show them.
No, show them no. No record no man and go show nobody. No? Nobody not for do that. Woman no man not for do that. All right?
But I tell you, the man really
record it for yourself. I don't know, watch it and then go do back a next round.
Right, but I do video in a Raga.
You not do video?
Nobody not say no video for me.
Okay. No, then I can't do a look video without your face in it.
I do video.
Can't do a look video without your face in it, man, and then watch it back and shut the next round.
Anything, the video in your head. The video in your head.
I can't do a look video, man. I can't do a look video.
You go sit down and think about it till it come back round again.
Sure.
Yeah.
All right, pretty one queen. Big up yourself, you know, blessings here.
All right.
Man, cool. Bada boom, 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 boom. You see, crazy people there, you know, I'm ready for leave, you know. Place full of people. Do remember. Hello? We're not each another person. I never mean for come up. People. Saturday the 5th of September. Do remember, you know, right? Upper Bronx. Saturday the 5th of September, Upper Bronx. See? Munchy sleep and wake up. Mr. Munchy, the people, them did I call up your name earlier, you know. You want your people to call up your name earlier and thing attack all kind of things about you, but you don't have TV and all them something. Them have to tell them, say, no, leave my friend out on the Mixup. Leave my friend out on the Mixup. Me have to tell them, so bright, but Munchy don't have no TV. Me have to give it to them for your Munchy. Yeah, me have to set them straight for your Munchy. Alright? Yeah, me have to dab them up and rub them out for your Munchy with them out hard. I said, them are wicked. Yeah, me have to put them in them place, Munchy. You sleep and wake up, do okay. Moving right along. People do remember, you know, Saturday the 5th of September, my birthday at the 6th. Saturday the 5th of September, though, the day before my birthday, right? Up at Bronx, I got there, right? Up at the dispensary, my brethren opening new cannabis dispensary, right? Cannabis dispensary, totally legal. It's a New York thing, you know it go, licensed and everything and whatever. I will want to know forward because we are going up there, you know, and we are going to do a look live from up there and thing and play music and them something there, all right? Where? It's at the corner. It's 3042 Fenton Avenue, which is at the corner of Fenton and Gunhill Road. You can't miss it. Right? At the corner of Fenton Avenue and Gunhill Road. You can't miss it. That's a Saturday the 5th of September. So I want to come up there and thing, right? And we have to hang out in the afternoon. Right? 3042 Fenton Avenue, write it down. 3042 Fenton Avenue in the Bronx at the corner of Gunhill Road and Fenton Avenue, right? At the corner of Gunhill Road and Fenton Avenue up by Bronx. And who for there, I go there, right? Head back safe and the whole works, no? Proper, right? Streaming live, all right? Streaming live. Yeah. So we want to know forward and for those of you who want to buy your stuff, you buy your stuff. And again, this is totally legal. All right, for those of you who don't know, New York State, it is legal for recreational stuff like that and whatever. And them have all kind of thing. Them have drinks, cannabis drink, stuff infused with cannabis. Them have the gummies. Yeah, and I try the gummies. And if you want to buy stuff where you can carry home and smoke or do whatever and thing like that, it's there too. And it's good stuff because it's regulated, so it can't be no local street stuff. The way them do it, you have to buy from certain people, safe and all them something there. So them thing they're not seasoned, And I'm going to do some outside broadcast and thing. I'm making a hear about them something there, whatever. It's very regulated and thing. Like you have to have a designated growers. And the growers, them can't have dispensary, them can't sell with them, You can either be a dispensary, 1 hour grower, whatever. All kinds of stuff associated with it, all right? Nessa said the last time I tried gum in my sleep for 24 hours, it happened to me too. Nessa, it happened to me too. I'm going to go up there and try gum. I said, but this not me nothing. And whatever. And then after about 45 minutes, it's still up. I'm going to take one more. And that thing knocked me out for 24 hours, man. 24 hours, I was out. Like, So, but I'll do gummies. Gummies. And of course, I'm not habitual with this type of thing. Nessa, never again. Nessa, what you mean never again? You can try it with me. Munchie said, I really want to try the gummies, but the way I sleep, it won't even do anything for me. Whatever, Munchie, I'm telling you, this will fix you up. This will fix you up. I'm telling you, Munchie, this will fix you up. Nessa, I would want you to try the gummies. When Nessa said anything for you, Reggae. See it? Yeah, I'm looking for it in our life, don't. But anyway, again, Saturday the 5th of September in the afternoon from about 1, 2 o'clock onwards till about, 7, 8 o'clock or so, we will be there, right? 3042 Fenton Avenue, 3042 Fenton Avenue, at the corner of Gunhill Road and Fenton Avenue, at the corner of Gunhill Road and Fenton Avenue. Do remember that TamFam Travel, my travel club and thing, we're going to Thailand. So who want to come go to Thailand for we and have fun? Bangkok style, Phuket style, Thailand style, to go to the floating market. You want to go to the floating market when I'm about there? Exciting. It's fun. And do some nice fun stuff, I'm familiar with the place. I've been there several times, and this is a yearly trip that I do. We're leaving on December 1st. And we're going to get back here on December 13th. But we're leaving here on December 1st. We arrive there on December 2nd. We leave there on December 12th and arrive back here at December 13th. If you want more information about that, check that out at tamfamtravel.com, tamfamtravel.com, and make sure you go to the Thailand section. There's several sections there. tamfamtravel.com, tamfamtravel.com, tamfamtravel.com. Okay? Yes, I'm carrying to the Sukhumvit area. and so forth. Shauna official, Raga, we are Virgo. We love the F ray. Oh God, we do, don't we? You know, so Virgo people are fun people. I've never met a Virgo person who I just love frigga. Virgo people love, yeah. Virgo, what time I come in? Wait, today about date. What may I say what time I come? A Virgo nation time right now. What's wrong with me? Virgo people, man, our time, you know, the best sign in the world. All of my Virgo people, big up on yourself at our time, you know, a nice time. Nice time now. Virgo nation, rise. Rise. Virgo nation, okay. We thing up there. What am I hear about? Tell Virgo man, them are wicked. Yeah, Virgo man, them are wicked. A wicked woman, like you. Yeah, like you, Tal, you're a wicked woman. So, oh, you mean, Virgo man, when I put up with foolishness and people who go on like them want to come grounds we out and clown we out. Eh? Somebody like you, Tal, and whatever going like you want to come dominate we. That's why Virgo man, them and Leo woman, them ever work. The Leo woman, them always are going like them want to come run off Virgo man, them head, and that no work. Right? That no work. You know, Leo woman are going like them want to come dominate everybody and all these things and whatever, yeah? And Virgo man, we don't take clownings. We don't take no clownings. Okay. What? What's that? Munchie, we get a gummy for you, man. And you try it at your yard, you know? You get a gummy for you, you know? Scrolling, the best Virgo men are September 1 to the 10th. Done shot. All right. Shauna said, Raga mine at the 10th of September. Well, me at the 6th, so I guess me fall in a lot there. See it there, you know, 10th. See it there? This is September 1 to the 10th. I'm the 6th. So in there, fully center. How many I'm here about? Don't. Now, Munchie, I'll link it up for you, you know. Proper. I even try it, man. The gummies are fun. I just think the gummies are fun. The gummies are fun, right? The gummies are fun, you know? Love eat a lot of Valley Guy Raga, no? See? All right, man, look right there now, you know, because I got my boy here chilling with me. You know what I mean? I say? Oh, boy. Where we at, man? So? Now come in. Yeah, man, big yard tomorrow. But, you know, I'm going to run it along with the TikTok, so people. And I run it along with the TikTok tomorrow, so I can go back and forth tomorrow and think till people get used to it, you know. Oh, some people cuss me out, so them come over TikTok and them never see me and them work late, so them come off 9 o'clock and we never know and all type of things. Oh, that person and I come up, so disconnect. Oh, you know a big yard I do it, though. Yeah, man. So tomorrow, TikTok and big YouTube people. Tomorrow it's TikTok and big yard. So YouTube people, for the camera stream a big yard, it can't stream through YouTube at the same time. Here, so YouTube and Facebook people make sure say wanna go either big yard or TikTok tomorrow. Yeah, big yard or TikTok tomorrow evening. All right. I'm gonna take down them something. And y'all have a great night, you know. All right, Tal, now worry yourself. You know, what time? 7 little after 7, them time there, you know? 7 little after 7. Smoky beer, big up yourself, you know, everything is everything, you know, people. All right, straight blessings and things, see? People, Munchie can't sleep, you know, man. Oh, my God. And Munchie, you did that sleep so from long time. User 897 say echoing. All right, do me a favor now. So I want to do this thing all the while. So user so-and-so who put echoing. Look in the chat. Look in at the chat. What you see? You see anybody has say anything about echoing? That you must do. Right? When you think say something go wrong, just look in at the chat before you come in at the chat and say something happen when nobody else in at the chat has said the same thing happen. All right? That you know for do. So when you see that, when I say no, it's something to do with me. Clearly, it's nothing to do with the stream because 500 and odd people over here I watch and nobody now said the same thing. So rather than boldly come out wrong and strong, and think, check your thing, all right? Munchie Raga, I don't play with my sleep. If I'm home at 6, I'll be in bed by 6:30. You know, so one of your sister them tell me that. One of your sister them tell me that, you know, Munchie. One of your line sister, ANC sister. I can't tell you who, Java. Java, you know, Java was like, no, call Munchie that time. Munchie gone to bed. Munchie gone to bed that time. No call Munchie, no call Munchie, no. You're not going to get there, no. Now Java tell me that, man. Java tell me that, man. Them know you, man. Them know, so then time, yeah. I call her in the 6-7 bells, you know. She gone to bed early like Wolo, man. Killer Miller says she too young to go sleep so early. Then that me I tell, but Munchie weird, Munchie different, you know. You can't study Munchie, you know. Munchie thing na normal, you know. Munchie thing na normal. You understand? So people big up on themselves, you know, in the morals again. Everything is everything. See it? Yeah, me love a look of flex tonight, yeah. This nice little mellow thing and whatever, you know. I like them look of vibes and things, see it? Killer, when Munchie said, yes, and that's why I look so young. Yeah, she look young for true, you know. For somebody who is 61 years old, she look young. And I can't check her out. Munchie, she's 61 years old and she look fairly young. Yeah, look fairly young. All I know, check Munchie page. Look on her, Munchie, see her the Munchie, and tell me if she look her age, 61. And come back and post if you think that she has 61. Killer Miller said, no way she has 61. You know, Munchie no more. 61 and fabulous. When you say Killer Miller, no way she has 61. No, this I say lies. It's a lie. She has 61. Norman Hilton. Norman, your first name spelled wrong. You say what? Non-Raman? Yeah, fix up that Norman. Your first name spelled wrong. Verbal expression. Kiss me teeth, Dragon. You make me go look. Well, she don't look 61. She don't look her age. So I tell her she don't look her age. She look younger. Yeah, I tell her she don't. Yeah, she don't look 61 at all. But, you know, so she, yeah, they probably look like the sleep at work for her, you know. The sleep at work for her. All right, people, straight blessings and respect, you know, legaments and things. Seeing in our marriage, all right? Love and honor. Cool. Okay. Killer Miller said 35 at best. Yeah. Round this, so no. Sir. Straight blessings. I remember, if you don't follow me, I tell you over here, TikTok, follow me now. Right? Follow me right now. Okay? If you're on YouTube and you're not subscribe yet, subscribe right now. I see? Make it happen. People blessings and respect, you know. Ragashanti on the lap, you know. All right? Oh, and by the way, if you're interested in the Thailand trip and thing, give me a link, all right, at 516-500-0210. 500-0210, 516-500-0210. Oh, I remember Steely Party, October 17, Saturday, October 17 in Jamaica, right? Memories, Jamaica and things, Steely Party, Ragashanti shall be there. You know, it go glamour way and Steely Bashment and thing. Big people something, right? 80s, 90s, early 2000 music and thing, enough niceness, though. Dunge River Falls, all right? Lock and Seal, right? Miss Everbless Flo, Munchie looks 18 the most. And Munchie look 18. Well, if somebody look 18 and them are 61 years old and look 18 and thing, you know, so they sleep at work, don't. And she love porridge too, you know, so I must say porridge and sleep I do it. A porridge and sleep I do it for her. Love can mean porridge, man. Pretty one queen, big up yourself. Shanae, what's up? All right. Shano official. You say Jamaica, you know, big up yourself, you know. All right, people, ligaments, you know, movements, see, out the road, not really. I'm going to kick back with my son a little bit right now. When him start go school, him have to go in bed already. Spain Town, what I'd stealing date? What you mean by that, Spain Town? What I'd stealing date? I think that's a typo. I'm not sure what question you're asking there, if you're asking a question, but perhaps you'd like to rephrase it. Del Marine said, Munch as the Dolly Parton effect. Del Marine, that not sound good, you know. Big up Dolly Parton, you know, but when you got to talk about Munch have the Dolly Parton effect and Dolly Parton just dead. Sure. Big up Dolly Parton, you know. Everybody make us sing the big song of Jamaicans love from Dolly Parton. Right? I trouble me and trouble you, Del Marine. Baby, when she and Kenny Rogers, and she alone. Baby, when I met you, there was peace on earth. I set out to get you with a fine-tooth comb. I was lost inside. There was something going on. Now, man, for Jamaicans, island in the stream bigger than working 9 to 5. You did something to me that I can't explain. Hold me closer and I feel no pain. We've got something going on. No more will you cry. Baby, I will hurt you never. Me don't know the next line. When I forget that we could ride it together. Making love to each other. Islands in the stream. That is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world. And we could ride it together, from one love to the other, Big tune, you know. What is Steely date in Jamaica again? October 17 up at Dunge River Falls, Spain Town. Forward a Steely party, man. Right? That go nice. That just sounds so exciting to me. You know, if you have a party at a place, the right at Dunge River. Right at Dunge River. It's romantic, it's exciting, it's fun. It just sounds like, you drop this, so you just right away, look at vibes, for mischief. Talk truth, right? You go a memories party at Dunge River, right? Jamaica, they have good music I play and niceness and thing, and you ladies probably a sip up on a rum cream and a look at thing, or the more adventurous one, them on a gun, I look at magnum settings, right? Somehow on a me a gun, what kind of drink could the ladies them drink? Sade, Dunge River Inn or the actual attraction? No, man, they want venue right at Dunge River now. It depends still, it depends it the right, man, I tell you no ain't name. Right at 100 right there. Right? I could get to it. I'm trying to come. I was something inside. There was something good. It named Tranquility Garden. Right? See it there? Right? Tranquility Garden. Make the people in my person see it too. What? Oh, well, this thing and it's going off. That's what it's right. October 17. October 17. See? Right? And you see that's hosted by Ragashanti, right? That would be me. Okay. All right, but they're not showing no the other for my See it there? Steely Bashman, Glamour Wayne, Ragashanti, Shuckle and Mixmaster Overdose. Seeing? October 17. Duns River Falls, Saturday, October 17. Right? That's all the thing there, right? So, who can move around, move around. If you can't move around, clutch and belly, we know a thing gonna say a word, all right? We know what is what. But who can move around, move around. So if we not come at this, Sham Sweetness, you're going raga. What do you mean if I'm going? Then Sham, Sham, tell them say when me see it, to ask them if a name first me call. Me call a name first and me say, Sham, buy your ticket and forward. Me say, Letter, buy your ticket and forward. All right? See? Yeah, man, we want to sell off that thing here with steel, you see it? Yeah, it's an all-white affair, so we know that someone can't wash white, so nobody wear the white one have already because it not going to look good because one can't wash white. So just buy one new white outfit and thing. All right? Nessa says share forward, big up yourself, no? It's all nice, man. It's all nice, man. See? It's all nice, man. All right, straight blessings, people. Yeah, man, big up Steely Party. Seeing Pretty One Queen. Me know you could have did in a Pretty One Queen. Yeah. Yes, I. All right, people. Now, Morris. Yeah, enough of them are come but in a all white and I wear beige, verbal expression because they can't watch the white and the white turn cream and beige and them are going like them want come. Solo 320, is that Steely the DJ? Yeah. Oh, you mean? One Steely bashment, a theme party. They don't know about memories. Solo try find yourself over there. That me I tell you, all right? Try find yourself a Steely party, because that party a shell. Sean official, Raga, me can't make them time them in here for have baby. That's okay, just come over there. We'll deliver your baby for you. I'm kidding. No, we understand. Right? We understand, if you have baby and thing and whatever, you can't afford. But if you forward and thing would have delivered the baby, that would have been, what? Deliver a TamFam baby, you understand? Just when we wake up, you're leaving, Ragat. You are munching on easy, You just a wake up too. Eh? I know love yourself, Sham. Love and blessings, man. All right, people. I'll go mention a big up on yourself. See it? Proper.
Mixup and Blenda time.
Boy. Man. Movements. Me too, Sean. Me have sleeping problem, you know. Me have sleeping problem. When I want to sleep, me have to work. Bruce, big up. When I want to sleep, me have to work. And then when I sleep, I can't drop asleep. But you know what really work for me? What help me? Solo say for sure the flyer again. You know what really work for help me when to sleep? You know what's that magnesium, something that work for me? Yeah, man, when I take the magnesium, it help me for sleep, man. Yeah. All right, Solo, see it there? There it is, Solo. Right? It's Steely Bashment, Memories Jamaica National Heroes Weekend, Steely Bashment, Ragashanti, Shuttlebus, Glamourway, and Mixmaster Overdose. Right? All white musical experience, venue location, Dunge River Falls, Tranquility Garden, Ocho Rios. Saturday, October 17. And I see the time, 5 p.m. to midnight. 5 p.m. to midnight. 5 p.m. to midnight. Oh, okay. Right? I eat that. Right? 5 p.m. to midnight. Steely Bashment, Memories Jamaica. See? Saturday, October 17. Jamaica something. All right? So Solo, I eat that. Right? And of course, this are the flyer just with me, all right? But, same thing, see it? So Solo, you say you do want to see it again, I eat that, all right? Mad thing. All right, Legoments. Marine, Jamaica don't start party until midnight. No, so that changed? The young people, them. The young people, them. They'll a beer day party, I keep it now for big people, Yeah, man, the people them prefer to go party like 5, 6, 7 o'clock and left midnight, 11, 12 o'clock. A beer that I go on now, Del. The big people them prefer that something there. The thing just changed. Them not like, big people not like that something there again, I go party 1, 2 o'clock, unless a hardcore dancer. Hardcore dancer, that's still there, All right? Hardcore dancer not change, but since the day party, something they start from pandemic time, it just, yeah. See it there? So Sham say, yep, me too, invite me to the day parties. You see it. Next I say, a big party, man, just looked it up. Oh, you mean, Steely Memories a big something, man. Bruce, Raga, big up Natalie, who are listening at the background, but afraid to click the link. Natalie, why you gonna do that, man? Eh? Natalie, come on, man. Natalie, how you for do that? Yeah, listening at the background and I want to click a link. Natalie, come on, man. Natalie, how you pronounce your name? You pronounce it the Jamaican way, Natalie, or you pronounce it the foreign name, Natalie. Right? You know, someone in a foreign way. Is it Natalie or is it Natalie? Eh? See it? Make it happen. Kelly, I'll know me I laugh after you and steal it from me yesterday. Too old clapping and know for use TikTok, no. Mad thing. All right, people, good night. Wait, what is? May I go in?
Hello, good night.
Good night.
How are you?
I'm a good man, and you?
You not hear me?
No, man, I hear you. You not hear me?
Hello?
I'm hearing you. May I hear you? You not
Hello?
hear me? Yes, hello?
No. Yeah, me just hear you now.
Oh, wagwan.
I'm there, yeah, I always listen you mix up them, you know.
I war for real?
Yes, for real.
All right, that's say a word, man. Big up yourself, man. Where you hail from?
I'm ailing.
Eh? Oh, I think our connection kind of rough, you know. Me not hear you now. Yeah, man. Where you hail from? Where you hail from?
Garden Town.
Garden Town, up that side, up a cool Garden Town, right? You know, see?
Yeah.
You in your own
Very
bed?
nice.
You in your own bed?
Huh?
You in your own
I
bed?
mean, if we don't want a bed, of course.
Okay. You have comforter and cover?
Huh?
You have comforter and cover?
Comfort? No, a sheet.
A sheet, okay. What, Mr. Man Mr. Man dip on the sheet with you?
Mm-hmm.
Eh? Eh? Mr. Man de
No,
Mr.
Raga.
No, where him
Me
there?
alone in my bed.
Where him there?
Me alone.
But where him
Me
there?
alone in my bed.
But Mr. Where him
Me
there?
alone in my bed. Me
Yeah.
don't know.
You don't know where him there?
Me
Eh?
don't want nobody in my bed. Me alone in my bed.
No, but you
Me
can't.
alone, Raga, in my bed.
So you go up a cool garden town and you alone in your bed. That don't even sound right, man. I want to go
And
on there.
I can't tell my name. I can't tell my name, you know.
Yeah, but me feel like we say you there, man, and the place so cool and nice and coolish and you alone in your bed. I want to go on this. Anyway, we not. She have a look a connection problem up a garden town there, you know. All right, that's our word, man. All right, Clover, big up yourself here. Oh, and Clover Powell, CP. All right. Now, people, a ligaments here. Watch your right. Clover.
Yes, you're not hearing me?
No, your connection I go in and out, you know.
Yeah, the Wi-Fi.
And the Wi-Fi, you know. But me just say, me feel like we say up there so chilly and thing and you know your bed alone, you know.
Yeah, cause me lying in my bed by myself. Me don't want nobody in my bed.
Okay, it's
I'm
by
okay.
choice. That sounds good. It sounds like, you know, it sounds like you have a certain amount of independence and autonomy and thing and you're comfortable with you, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know that is sexy
No
though.
good, man.
You know that is sexy though. Don't you know that, right?
Huh?
You know that is sexy, right?
You may know that is sexy.
Yeah, when you are comfortable with yourself.
Yeah.
No, that's very good. I'm just telling you that it's sexy. I like them something there, you know.
What on the Raga? Somebody say Clover, can I? Hold on, let me read that comment station.
I mean, I talk to her
Can
at the
I
chat. I mean, I talk to her at the chat.
No, what on the are you me I talk about somebody send send someone and say
No.
can I
Hold on. Are we in a threesome? Are we in a threesome or a foursome or a twosome?
No, Raga.
What, you do threesome?
No, I just say come at me and read. Me and hear what
No,
you
but
say.
me I say you do threesome or a twosome. And if a twosome, you think
No,
that
Raga.
you not do threesome, don't?
No, sir.
So,
No, sir. I don't do those things.
So twosome with this, a focus on me and don't look for anybody else, yeah?
All right, my boss.
All right, Clover, big up yourself, bless up yourself here. Me have a Lego you know, here. Me have a Lego you know, here, Clover.
Well, I don't talk to you, Raga. Well, I don't.
What you say what?
Make natural soap on him something in a rather.
Okay, well big up yourself. No, but me said the show they done already, you know. That's why I Lego me did that Lego. Here?
Yeah, hear me?
No, me said the show they done already. So I Lego me a
Hello?
Lego. Yeah, you not hear me I know. No, me said the show they done already, Clover. Alright?
Nah, hear me.
No, me I hear you not hear me. Alright, people. The 9 morals here. That's our word, man. Blessings and respect, man. Cool. Tell Raga, your bed pan black I call you. I want to go watch my show. She said she want to go watch it. She not leave till me leaving. Okay, I'm out of here. Bye.